Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts with the most. Slick, Tony, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out.
It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Yeah. What's good Wednesday? Come on tonight Thursday. It's the boys night out. Yeah, we gon' get it on right now. Said it's the boys night out. Tonight I might get a little wild. Hot boy, full of bombero. Still burning fire like Nero. We sort of on settle. Magic in the city, got rice? Yeah, man. Gilly Smith, Tony, get a whiff. Lubricant with slick Rick, slick talk. Somersaulting, how these haters get flipped off. You know the Q, I'm Gino Q. Gotta cover GQ. What's up, 10? How you doing, huh? It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Yeah.
And is not recommended for a young audience. If you're easily offended, annoyed, or discover that this radio show is just plainly stupid, tune into another station or go yourself.
Boys Night Out.
Here we go. Magic at 9, today's best music. Yeah, man. They're listening and watching. Time is 34 past 6 o'clock. Good evening. Welcome to the program. Boys Night Out. My name is Tony.
My name is Gino Killiamore.
My name is Tin.
Oh,
lipat ka, Mike. Lipat ka, Mike. Isa pa, lipat ka ulit. Lipat ka ulit. Lipat ka ulit.
Yan.
Lipat ka ulit. De, joke lang. Okay na.
Meron na. Ay, wala nang mic. Niloloko ni Tin Joe.
Joke!
Good evening, guys.
yeah. The Love Survivor. He has no mic there.
Okay na.
Swear? Ba't
Okay,
kanina
so
wala?
pwede ka na bumalik. Oh, pinapalipat ka lang
Tingin?
talaga.
Ay, wala.
Yeah.
Meron.
Oh,
Hi, Joe!
I love...
19. Hi guys, hi Jeans.
What's
hi,
up?
Tones.
I love how...
Jeans.
Yeah, I love how quickly
Kahit ba?
playback is picking up on this, no? Si Slick Rick, hindi pumasok.
Yan.
Tingnan mo. Meron agad eh. Wala si Slick Rick. Wala.
Alam mo,
Hindi
Slick,
mapasok. Alam
if
mo,
you're listening, sana
Slick,
mahiya ka naman.
Trabaho ka
Putya
naman
naman,
Slick.
Slick.
Oh.
Ano ba hiya ka naman sa amin?
He came for the shoot,
Oh.
but then he didn't come to work.
So you know what? No. I'm a model now. Kaya sabi ni no, man. Like, he was the quickest one to finish amongst all of us.
True.
Like, when they were shooting, they
I
were
mean,
all...
if you're born with it, you're born with it,
Exactly,
right?
diba? You know?
But if he's listening,
Cover
Slick,
person eh.
sana lang mahiya ka. Kasi,
Yeah.
I mean, like, we're all here, right?
Hello, pumasok nga ako eh.
That's true.
Kasi ko pa yung wala, diba?
That's
Si Jojo ka na dito eh.
Yeah, I came from a meeting and work.
Nah.
Yeah.
Ano yung meeting mo?
Ano work mo ngayon?
I work in social media and digital marketing.
Okay.
Wow.
Are you allowed to say for what company?
No, I work in an Australian company. But we are catering online delivery for services from Australia.
Oh, nice. So your clients are all Australia-based?
Australian client base.
Okay, kunyari, sige, paano mo sila kinakausap?
No, we're just
Nor.
Back in work.
back in work,
Back
and
end.
then we
Parang si Tones lang. Mahilig mag-work sa
Favorite
backend.
niya yun, ni Tones. Ikaw din, di ba?
yeah, I used to work and then
Back end?
back end and then front end. I love to. I love back end. You know that.
Why? Wow.
It's
Gusto mo
really-
yung you know that? Parang may alam mo.
Mas mahilig ako sa front end.
Front end,
Personally,
back end, yeah. It's
Ba-
good.
yung backend kasi parang it feels so impersonal.
So you don't really like,
I don't like it. No. Because I want to
it's
see
kind
you.
of the best.
Really, I want to see. I want to see your face.
Gusto
I,
mo
I want you to look into my eyes.
Eh, what if nakaganon, nakatingin sa'yo palikod?
Ay, medyo hot yun. Pero,
Pero what is this conversation?
kasi parang the entire time parang baka ma-stiff-neck pa siya. Alam mo yung parang, oh. But yeah.
Paano ko hilahin mo yung buhok niya?
Yeah.
Ang dami nang nangyayari. Okay! 6:36!
My goodness.
Time check.
gracious.
6:36 ng iinit ng mga host ng Boys Night Out.
So, ano bago sa'yo?
We break up with my girlfriend 2 weeks ago. Yeah, and then right now I'm still moving on.
Even Tony's
I told
surprised.
you. No, I remember?
What do you mean? What do you
I
remember?
always
You didn't
said-
tell me shit.
Yeah, you
I
break up.
said even before, remember?
Yeah.
Ayun, di tatagal to kasi he's too much giving X amount of time. Like pigang-piga.
Wait, okay.
Yeah.
Why did you break up, Jojo?
Yeah, tama si Tony.
Tony, music.
That time is, hindi siya magka-meet kami and then sa ugali, hindi kami,
Paano?
he is like, may kan siya, minumura niya ako sometimes and sometimes we have this argument and then I'm not used to do stress, di ba? Parang gusto ko lang after work, just relax and then parang inaaway ka pa. And I hate argument. Alam niya yan. And then, so toxic relationship.
Toxic
I
pa.
think she looked down at
You
me.
look down at me.
She looked down. Ang
Kung kailan ka pa nagkatrabaho?
Yeah, because alam mo naman.
Or baka ikaw yumabang ka dahil nagkatrabaho ka.
No.
Nakalimutan mo na nung ikaw walang-wala, siya yung sumuporta sa'yo.
He support me. Pero ang problema kasi, parang down ka talaga. Wala kang gano'n. Parang iba yung tingin niya sa akin. I'm not used those kind of person na talagang pinagmamalaki niya. For me kasi parang ugali niya, hindi kami nagkaintindihan.
Actually,
And,
mabuti na pinag-usapan natin to kasi nandito siya ngayon. Papasok siya. And our surprise guest here on Boys Night Out, ladies and gentlemen.
and the reason it's tama yun, the time yung pigang-piga ka na. And then, you have so much stress. And I just want to be like Tony na
No,
wala
don't be
sa
like me.
stress.
Hindi ka pwede sumabay dyan, Jo.
Yeah.
Mahihirapan ka sumabay dyan.
Akala ko by now natuto na tayo.
Oo.
No? Hindi natin kaya sabayan si
Hindi
Tony.
kaya, Jo. Hindi kaya.
Hindi, saka feeling ko rin, ikaw mismo, hardwired ka na hindi ka parang si Tones kasi
Hindi.
gusto mo magka-girlfriend eh.
Di gusto mo magkagirl.
Gusto mo magmahal, di ba?
Pero hindi.
Si Tones ayaw magmahal.
Pero hindi
Hindi date
kami.
na ayaw pumayag eh.
Gusto mo bang magmahal o gusto mo lang
No,
jug-jug?
hindi naman. Ang gusto
Ano?
ko magmamahal. Pero wala eh. Parang hindi kami magkasundo at the long
Sino
Pero
nakapag-break?
actually,
Siya.
buti na lang din na ngayon kasi
Yes.
kesa tumagal pa.
Yeah, tumagal pa.
A little over 1 year kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Anong brinekan ka niya? Anong sinabi niya sa'yo?
Hindi niya na nakikita ang future with me. Yun yung reason.
Pero nung sinabi niya yun sa'yo, ikaw din parang, okay, go.
Yes,
Or
ayun, no?
you didn't fight for it
Pero
anymore.
a few weeks ago, nagkakalabuan na kami. And then,
Wait, kailan ba kayo nag-break?
2 weeks ago.
Ah, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. And then, for this breakup, tanggap ko na eh. Kasi alam ko na
Parang pagod ka na.
Napagod na. And then, I have these feelings na it will ended soon.
Alam ko mag-breaking. Bakit? Hindi na ako tinetext eh. So it's just a matter of time. Because I already told him at the very start, I said, pumasok ka dyan. If you really want to end it, end it. If it's good, then stay. But you have the choice. You always have the choice. And then I never spoke to him again.
Hindi,
was
saka
what-
like
when
yun,
was that?
kunwari.
That was like 2 months ago.
2 months ago, yeah.
With what you mentioned, na yung feeling na pigang-piga ka na or whatever. To be fair, a lot of people in relationships feel that way.
Yeah.
Because it's hard to balance
It's hard
work, whatever you're passionate about, your
Why are we
family.
playing the graduation song in the background?
I know. But point being is,
Because Gino's
doon
talking.
mo malalaman kung
Yes.
bagay ba talaga kayo. Kasi kung, if it's really meant to be, or if you're really like, kumbaga parang it's enough for you to want to stay in the relationship. No matter how tired you are,
Yeah.
you'll be like, wala, I can't live
I think
without
that's
this
why
person.
Slick's away as well eh.
That's why ano?
That's why Slick is away as well eh.
Because he's tired. He's tired na.
Anniversary niya.
They're about to celebrate their
Anniversary,
anniversary.
yeah.
Happy Bonifacio Day.
Bonifacio Day.
11th, 12th year. 12th year?
Yeah, 2014, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, edi 10th.
10th year.
Para kayong mga bobo.
No, 2014 ba?
Sinimplify na nga 10 years.
I think 2014. 2014, 2015.
Baka before 2014.
I
I
think
feel
before.
like I know they're more than 10.
They're more than 10 kasi 11 was last year. So
Oh,
12.
12 this
Oh,
year.
edi 12. Hindi pinaglaro. Hindi 2014. 2012. 2012.
Yeah, 2012.
But I don't know, I think he had work or something. But he mentioned that he had like
Something in the south.
and he did file for it beforehand, which is great. You know,
It's always good.
good for him.
I think it was like a couple days ago.
Let's go back to Jojo.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to know how the breakup conversation went.
Tinawagan niya ako.
Ay, sa phone!
Sa phone, sabi niya, ba't may sasabihin ka ba? And then sabi ko, ano yun? Sabi ko, hindi ko na kinakikita yung future eh. And then itigil na natin to. We set each other free. Kasi kung daw, busy ako sa work and then wala akong, parang yung time namin kasi used to work in home. I used to work at office. Hindi kami nagkakasundo ng schedule. And this time, alam ko na eh. But for me now, ang pakiramdam ko, parang there's something peace in my heart right now. Nawala.
Kasi usually, di ba, pag si Jojo nakikipag-break or something, kita mo sa mukha niya na parang he's
Yeah.
like broken.
Yeah.
Pero now when he said, oh, nag-break kami 2 weeks ago, and then parang wala lang. So, mukhang healed ka na.
Yeah, healed na ako. Natanggap ko na eh. Na there's will be ended. Pero wala eh. Parang ganun talaga. Good thing, hindi ka pa kinasal.
True.
If you're getting married and get that fucking shit.
Oh,
that's
Josie. Uy,
Relax.
grabe. Tones, nakalimutan na ni Jojo para maging broadcaster.
Yeah.
Ayop.
Yeah.
Di ba may anak
Jojo,
siya?
alam
Tama
mo,
ba?
nagtatrabaho kami dito ng
Marangal.
inaayo. Marangal.
Marangal.
Sinugo namin yung Catholic Mass Media Awards.
Sorry. But
Yung KBP, nasa speed dial ko na.
but it's going it down. It's going to be ganun talaga eh. That's life. And I think Tony said to me, F life.
Oh, F-Life.
Yeah.
Wow, Tony said that.
I don't know if I said
You said
Yeah,
parang
F-Life.
that's so
It doesn't seem like some,
Tony
yeah.
Yeah, F life and continue the journey.
In fact, it's more like love life.
Naka-ano ka na ba? Nakabalik ka na sa dating apps?
I'm still planning to go back.
Okay.
But right now,
I don't think you should go back anytime soon, George. Just
Mag-heal ka muna.
Yeah,
just
Concentrate on
enjoy.
your life, on your work.
yeah, focus ka muna.
yeah.
Hindi ako, Joe. Go na agad. Sama ka na agad. Lumandi ka na. Break na kayo eh. Bakit hindi?
But now there's peace and may peace. May
Nakikita ko nga, you're not broken at all.
Kaya nga, balikan na ng dating app. Hanap ka na ng bago para gumulo ulit yung buhay mo.
yeah.
Umiyak ka ba?
Ay, umiyak ka naman kasi may pinagsamahan naman eh. The memories are good.
Gano'n kayo katagal? 1 year?
Mag 1 year din. Para okay.
Little over a year. Teka lang, na-meet mo ba yung anak niya?
Yeah, we met in the one of his party sa bahay nila. And then,
Na-meet ka niya as the boyfriend of
oh yeah,
the mom.
okay naman kami. Pero the problem is, hindi kami magkasundo yung the attitude. Iba kasi siya eh. Ako matipid, siya magastos. And then there's something different with us na hindi kami mag-compatible talaga sa attitude. And then mahilig siya
Magdota?
Mobile
Mobile Legends,
And
ML.
I'm not used to go na gamer.
Ano naman masama doon?
Yeah.
Na si Gino,
Ano
yari
naman
ka.
masama doon?
Yari ka.
Porket naglalaro sa feeling mo, wala na sa time para sa'yo.
I'm not a gamer person.
You're not a gamer
And
person.
then ako naglalaro. And then sometimes that's I think life is hindi kayo magkasundan. Just
I
accept
just
it.
think it just didn't work out.
Didn't work out,
That's it.
yeah.
That's basically it.
Mhm.
I'm glad that you're better now because before you'd be devastated.
Oo.
Yeah, but right
Okay na, okay ka.
I learned some of my mistake in life. I just
So what are the things, the
That you
major
learned?
lessons that you learned in that last relationship?
for me is the acceptance na hindi talaga para kayo, and then also the reality.
So
na-
you were forcing it.
I'm not forcing it. Parang parang akala ko magiging kami talaga to the long run. Pero wala eh.
Oh, I know what to do. Okay, I'll fix it.
That's the things that happen. Kaya
Pero nung nagbe-break na ba kayo? Kasi obviously, naging kayo for a very good reason.
yeah, for good
I'm
reason.
sure meron ka mga certain things na nagustuhan about sa kanya.
Yeah.
Umabot na ba sa point na hindi na na-outweigh nung good yung bad?
Yeah, I think so. Dumating sa point na gano'n. And then,
Ano ba yung mga things na minahal mo about her?
he's very jolly person. Masayahin naman siya. And then, ang na-discover ko lang the long run is, every time yung mumurahin ka,
Okay.
you have, and that's better that your partner supposed to be your best friend is minamura ka, di ba? Parang
So all the time.
Pero si Tones,
may mura, may
parating
mura.
minumura to, di ba?
Yeah.
Pag ano, in the throes of passion.
Sa kama.
Yeah.
Kama!
Yeah.
Ba't sa kama?
Eat that you ever.
Yeah.
Nom nom nom, a-hole.
Hindi mo ba mamimiss? Ano yung pinaka-mamimiss mo sa kanya?
It's good. Magaling siya magluto.
After you berated him for being on saying the F word, now you
I said ever and a-hole.
And then Kapit bashed me the award now.
Gino, you
I
hypocrite!
edited myself. That is edited. If you think ever could mean lots of things.
Yeah, but eat me.
Foxtrotter.
How
diba?
about eat me, Gino?
me.
How about
No,
eat
it's
me?
an
Sige,
ulam.
defend eat me.
Ulam.
An ulam?
Oh,
Will
and did you
look
not
at you
know?
and tell you?
Excuse me, did you not know that in the 90s and even Bart Simpson said this multiple times? Eat my shorts, eat me. It's a way of saying like.
Did Bart
you know,
ever say eat me?
Eat my shorts. Eat my
yes.
shorts. But eat me was also like but bite me. Diba
When
may
was the
ganun
last
din?
time you said eat me?
Today.
Iba yung bite me, iba yung eat me. Pag sinabi bite me,
Sige, Tones, why don't you explain the difference between bite me and eat me? Go.
I think Jojo should
O sige,
explain.
Jojo, ano yung pinagkaiba ng statement na bite me tsaka yung eat me?
Also, sorry, Joy. 1 second. I just remembered. One of the world's most beloved characters says it. Mario. Eat me! Mario! O, diba? Oh.
You're so stupid.
Ano kayo ngayon? Kala nyo, ha?
Just simple. Di ba?
Jojo, sige, ano pinagkaiba ng bite me at eat
Bite
me?
me is, in the Tagalog term is kagatin mo ako.
Okay.
In English, eat me, kainin mo ako. But in the different term, pero isa, kakainin kita. Kakainin kitang buo. Either I eat you.
Di ba parang threat yun?
Pinadagdag na buo.
Di ba threat yun? Parang kakainin ko lang po.
Or for example, I eat your booty. I eat your booty. I bite you. I bite
Why-
you.
I eat your booty?
Yeah.
Jojo.
Have you someone eat some
Alam mo
booty?
yung
That's why it's here once a month eh.
Alam mo yung itsura ko, nagsashovel ako. Pero yung soil na tinatapo ko sa likod, kinuha ni Jojo, tapos binabalik niya lang dun sa unasan. Saan ako nag-uukay, binabalik niya lang.
Pero same meaning.
How do you eat the booty?
It's like
How do you-
just like a
Wow.
just like eat booty like a grocery. Like
Oh!
yeah, but I love it. I am a booty eater.
So pwede mo sabihin, ikabubuti mo yan.
Pwede yun. Back to the topic. Yan.
How about the declaration of I'm a booty eater?
Yeah, I used to go. I like booty girls. Like big. Yeah.
I like
Mamimiss mo
butts in a
yung
Canada.
booty niya.
I think I missed that, and that the important thing is the memory kasi.
Of eating the booty.
No, the memory that you've been together.
Memory of eating.
No.
Para pag dumaan ka, para may naamoy ka. That reminds me of her.
Yung may mabantot. Naalala ko yung ex ko.
8631089.
Are you a booty eater?
That's our topic for tonight. Hello. Hi.
Hi, Jojo.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Sobrang wild. I have a big sympathy to you. I'll go for Gino advice to dating app para so you can have a booty pa.
Para maka-move on agad.
Para maka-move on.
Mabuti sa'yo yan.
How many of us are guilty though? How many of us are guilty of
Eating booty?
No, of moving on right after a breakup? Just you know what I mean?
I guess it depends. Kasi okay, I won't lie about it. There are breakups where I'm like, immediately after, I'm like, game. But there are also breakups where I'm like, no, I cannot even think about like dating after. I guess it depends on how much you invest.
I think
kasi
emotionally,
diba?
I think if you're emotionally so invested in someone, ang hirap mag-move on emotionally. Physically, it's like the one night stand under the influence of alcohol.
Ako di ko kaya. May mga times
talaga?
na sad boy ako eh.
Oh, eto, hello.
Sad boy ako, bro. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for calling.
I'm a sad boy ko. Like I need to wallow in the pain
Oh, okay.
and then listen to like Fall Out Boy and Panic at the Disco.
Chemical Romance.
My Chemical Romance.
Hi. Hello. It's my first time to call.
Hey, welcome to the show.
What made you call, Jojo?
Is it the booty?
The booty eating?
No.
It's okay.
You don't have to answer. Wala siya.
What's your name?
Anna.
Anna, how can we help you, Anna?
I just want to say that you guys keep me company when I drive home.
Thank you.
Yes,
You know
all the
what,
time.
Anna? You sound like a really decent,
Oo
sweet
nga.
person.
Why do you listen
Why
to this
do you
show?
listen to us? Are you okay?
Very dinner siya.
Honk twice.
Diba? If you need help, just honk your horn. But thank you.
You
That-
guys, yeah, it's so fun listening to you guys. And Jojo, thank you.
Na-miss mo? Na-miss mo si Jojo?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Meron ko bang advice for Jojo? He's trying to move on. So far, he hasn't re-downloaded the
2 weeks
dating
lang
apps
naman
yet. Yeah, 2 weeks pa lang siya.
2 weeks pa lang.
2 weeks pa lang. What can he do?
Ako, feeling ko, it needs to be with his friends, you know. Kasi kapag after a breakup, medyo friends lang talaga yung makaka-pick up sa'yo eh. Yung hangout, like, inom, ganyan.
This sounds like you're speaking from experience.
Oo.
Yeah.
May pinaguhugutan ka nga.
Let's ask her. How do you get? How did you get over your last breakup? What was it that was like?
Was it hard drugs?
Yeah.
Copious amounts of alcohol.
No comment again.
Now I know why you listen to us.
Now we suddenly get it.
It's in the past na, yeah.
It's in the past.
Grabe. hindi ko
Dumaan na eh.
Nagkasabay tayo.
Anong era yun?
Anong year to?
Ano yung songs na nagpa-play sa club?
Circa what?
Embassy days eh. So mga 2000.
So are you married now, Anna?
Yes, I am happy.
Very happily in love. Good for you.
Okay, so do you remember the last time, like, you know, you really got your heart broken and whatever? How did
Of
you
course,
get
I
over
can never
it?
forget those moments, of course. Grabe. Talagang hindi ako nakakakain noon. But, you know, friends would always be there to pick me up. Pick up the pieces.
Why is it
In
that you
embassy
guys?
ba to?
Why is it that you guys can't eat? I don't get it.
Usually when
Kasi nga, di ba wala na kayo? Kakainin mo siya, wala na kayo.
yung circle kasi, di ba, inom ka, tapos for some weird reason, di ka gutom, pero hindi ka nalasing. Ganun yung circle eh.
Iba yung tama. Ibang drugs yan eh.
No, but I don't know, like, yeah, I remember, like, whenever I would get heartbroken, I would, like, lose a lot of weight.
Like,
Maybe I should get
what's the
heartbroken.
Oh, don't say that.
Scientifically,
Colleen, break my heart first.
Scientifically, it's connected, right? The gut. Right?
Is it though? Because I mean, I know that there are some people also know whenever they're depressed or whatever, they you know, tend to go for comfort food or whatever. So I guess it's different per person.
Yeah, but I would think that the emotions come from the gut. So wala kang gana talaga eh. You don't want to do shit.
Wala kang gana. Kasi you're miserable. You don't want to do anything.
You don't wanna do anything.
You just want to stay in the dark, listening to Fall Out Boy or Adele.
I mean, not so much Adele. Actually, like red jumpsuit apparatus, secondhand.
Your guardian angel. Anna, thank you so much for the
Thank
call.
you, and thank you for the
Thank you.
kind words.
Thank you, Anna.
Appreciate it.
Happy you're
Have a
happy.
safe drive
Yeah.
home.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Anna. Thanks for calling.
You know, this is why we do what we do, right?
True.
Right?
For
It's-
people like Jojo who
I've been to many breakups.
because we really just want to be able to say we eat booty on
Yeah.
there.
Jojo, kailang girlfriend ka na ba?
3. I think 3. And then,
I think you're the first DJ to admit that you eat booty on it.
yeah.
National radio.
Not the last.
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
Jojo, dating up ka agad.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone's supporting Gino's idea.
Mga lalaki talaga tanga eh.
Alam mo sa mga ano,
Okay.
may konting ano, alam mo na,
Ano?
happy ending.
Yeah. Iba talaga ang lalaki. Magbigay ng advice.
No, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna be real talk lang ah. Real talk lang ah. Tayo mga lalaki, ganyan tayo eh. Parang, heartbroken ka na, mag-dating up ka na, lumanti ka. Pero deep
pag
down
ikaw,
inside, ayoko, namiss ko siya.
John, namimiss mo ba siya? Sabi mo yung totoo sa akin
To
ngayon.
be honest, there are times na mi-miss ko. But right now, especially right now, Pasko na, 27 days till Christmas, you miss the person. Kasi wala kang kasama sa Pasko. Pero the good thing is,
Makakatipid ka dahil di ka bibili ng
Nami-miss ko!
May nagtatanong si Kim, na-try mo na ba sa Reddit na may nagkakahanapan doon sa Alas
Sure,
Juicy?
thank you for the call.
Alas Juicy?
Oo.
What's the Alas Juicy?
Napin mo na lang sa Reddit.
Ass juicy.
As juicy.
Alas juicy.
I'm like, damn,
Alas
that's
juicy.
Ass juicy.
a pretty
Alas juicy.
straightforward Reddit
juicy,
thread.
yeah.
That's a not safe for work subreddit.
NSFW.
Yeah.
Or just look for Rule 34.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Check mo, Reddit, Rule 34.
I'm scared.
Hello?
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 Oops, ninapindot nito. Hello?
Hello? Rule 34 is
Okay.
basically
Ayan.
for
Yeah.
cultured
Hello?
people.
Sige nga.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi!
Hi.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, si Jojo na lang, make yourself better para, you know.
Oh, paano?
That
Can
is,
you give
that
him,
is,
ano?
that is,
Yeah,
that is
that's
really
solid
great
advice.
to be fair.
Paano?
Para, say ano ka, you learn new skill,
Yeah. Workout.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
work out, improve yourself in communication. So make yourself 2.0.
Busy.
A better version of who you are now.
Anong sinasabi mo kailangan i-improve ni Jojo yung communication skills niya?
Hindi naman, yun,
Okay.
I mean, make it parang i-level up lang pa.
Yeah.
Learning more.
Nice.
What was it?
Kasi,
What about for you? What did you do? What was the first thing you did after the breakup?
I did parang nire-assess ko yung sarili ko, ano ba yung kulang, parang
Parang napaka-productive mo sa
Oo nga
person.
eh.
parang
Maayos kang
assessment ka
tao.
kasi na, 'di ba? Parang bakit kanya iniwan? Ba dahil
Never ko
ba mas
iniisip yun.
gwapo, o dahil mas may pera yung kabila, or mas
So, okay.
pinapili
Sorry,
ba to?
sir So, nung time na ikaw, nung nag-break kayo, yung last breakup mo, ano yung mga na-realize mong ganon? Like, were you honest with yourself sa mga pagkukulang mo?
I think hindi eh, kasi unique kasi yung sa akin kasi I actually proposed to the girl.
Oh, wow.
Way back in the day. But apparently, na-discover ko, dalawa pala kami nag-propose.
Oh my God. Sakit yun.
Wow.
I discovered it by accident and I called her home.
Wait lang, paano? Kwento mo.
Yeah, the sister picked it up and then sabi ko, kamusta? Long time no na hina. Oh, yeah. Ikakasal na nga kami. Sabi niya, talaga? Alam ko hindi ikaw eh. Sabi ko,
That is crazy. That's not something you'd read on Reddit.
Wait, also, what's up with that sister? Why
Oo
would she
nga.
tell you that? Na
Or
parang alam
maybe-
ko hindi ikaw.
Okay din, kasi at least nalaman niya na.
Hindi, pero
oh, yeah.
But the way she
was
said it
just-
was kind of
It was like a
And
Yeah.
it's also like a, blood runs thicker than water kind of
Oh, yeah.
moment where
Yeah.
if I were the sibling, I'd be like,
Ito ko yung parang kang binuhusan ng malamig na tubig talaga.
Oo.
And then I really went out of my way to go to her house to interrogate
get an
her.
inter-
But,
How did you confront her? And then, umamin ba siya agad?
indirectly, pero sabi niya tinapos na daw niya bago ko pa malaman. So that's BS, di ba? So,
Agree.
wait, so she was saying na when you spoke to her that she called it off with the other person na. That's what she
yeah. Bago ko pa daw malaman. Sabi ko, parang kanina ko lang nalaman, ngayon ka lang din nagkapag-break.
Paano kung,
But-
I'm gonna play the devil's advocate here.
go.
Paano kung yung sister pala may thing for you kaya kanya siniraan?
Sorry,
Diba?
sorry.
Bet mo ba yung sister ng
Baka
ex mo?
paano kung sinetap niya lang
Hindi,
na parang,
hindi.
parang pang movie?
Parang medyo nadidiri siya sa sagot niya.
Hindi, pero diba parang pang movie eh. Na parang,
It's like a
Yeah.
porn.
Yeah.
paano kung the sister was like, you messed up my life
Look
this
at,
entire
ito The Tale of Two Boys Night Out DJs. Si Gino, para siyang movie. Ganyan. Si Tony, para siyang porn.
Sa akin kasi drama yung movie na parang, you ruined my life, now it's time to take my revenge on you.
Stepsister agad yung
Yung kay Tones, pound, chika, wow.
Yun ang keyword
Parang
ko.
Bernie legal lang.
Stepsister.
Wait, okay, so you called it off with this person. Are you happily in a relationship now?
Yes, I'm happily married.
That's good.
I love that. When was this?
Pero,
Kailan yun? Kailan to nangyari?
tagal na. It was 2004.
2 weeks.
2005.
Tagal
Okay,
na.
almost 20 years ago.
20 years.
then.
Wait,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
from the
yeah.
time that you broke up with that girl, ano ba ginawa mo? How
What
long
were your
did-
steps?
Yeah. What did you do to get better? So Jojo has an idea. And then when was your first girlfriend?
After that.
After.
I like
Ilang
this question.
years?
Kasi how did you prepare yourself? Kasi
Oo.
like you said, you're happily married now, diba?
Medyo traumatic yun. Nag-propose ka, di ba?
Oo.
Parang ganyan ako eh.
Hayop.
Parang nag-concentrate ako sa sarili ko na I assess. Sabi ko, ano ba yung ginawa ko? Bakit ganun?
Why did she find it in herself to cheat on you?
It's not really the time, no?
Mhm.
Kasi parang twice a week na kami nagkikita. And
Mm.
it was really due to a busy schedule na tumingin sa step. At the same time, nagmamadali na siyang to settle
Pakasal.
down. So, hindi pa ako ready at that time. So, I was really taking care of myself and my parents at that time. So,
Aww.
I said we can postpone it for a year, ganyan. But apparently she can't wait. So
You sound like a great guy, and I'm happy that you were able to move
Did he tell
on.
us how many years was the gap from when you broke up to when you had your next girlfriend? Ilang years yun?
parang a year lang.
1 year.
1 year lang.
Oh, Jojo, 1 year kang magwala.
Parang ano ka lang, enjoy being single,
Yeah.
test yourself, you level up, try to improve. Para pag nakita ka niya, mas guwapo ka ngayon, parang ganyan.
I want to ask Gino, how many when you broke up with your last girlfriend?
Yeah.
How
long was it
ilang
before?
weeks
2 weeks or 2
that
months.
you actually sulked and
I
in
sulked
your
for
sorrow?
I sulked for a long time.
Talaga?
Mga ilang months?
Matagal?
I get emotionally like really
You
connected,
go,
and I
like,
spiral down.
Spiral, okay.
And
Downward
then I
spiral.
compensate with a lot of alcohol.
Okay, okay. Mga months yan?
Gano'n ako
Ilang-
saan natin? How long was
Recovery.
I sad boying for after
That was
my last ex-girlfriend?
A
Tagal yan, diba?
year?
matagal.
More than a year.
More than a year?
More than a year.
More than a year?
Yeah,
I really take a while, man.
I know.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I think with me kasi maybe because I don't get into a relationship.
Oh, magkaiba kayo ni Gino. You can't
'Cause you're a
compare.
hoe. Yeah,
You can't
no.
compare.
No, my mindset is life is so short to let one person out of the at that time 6 maybe 5 billion pa at that
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
I said, why would I let this one person just take over the next few days of my
See,
life?
therein lies our quintessential difference.
Yeah.
Because for
Listen
you,
to this. Listen to this.
your version is like, oh, there's 7 billion people in
Yeah.
the world. Why would I let this one person?
Yeah.
And for me, it's like, there's 7 billion people in the world and I found the one
Yeah.
person that I want to spend my life
Diyan kayo
with.
yeah.
Yan yung fundamental difference
Yeah.
natin.
But I'm like Gino.
Yeah.
We're the
Ako
same.
hindi.
But I remember Tony said to me, don't be lonely, be horny.
Ayos. Ayos.
Actually, may may kasunod pa yun. Parang few days siya ikakasal din sa few days. Tinawagan ako. Sabi niya, sabihin mo lang na kakaiulit, I will call off the wedding. Sabi ko, no, don't.
Wow. Are you
don't-
serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
I hope that the guy is listening and he hears this and he's like, what?
So,
Wedding ka
sabi ko,
dyan.
it's not really a good thing to do. So you just go on.
Has anyone do you know anyone that's done that? Like days before the wedding, a guy called the
I know
ex,
someone.
or the girl called the guy. Uy,
I know a guy who called the girl and said, like, I'll call off my wedding if
Oh
you tell
my
me
God.
that.
That's so crazy.
no.
Yeah, it happened. So I was really, I made a good decision to say no. And then sabi ko na, good decision.
No way.
Oo.
But you're
Oh my
happy
God.
now.
Wala pa akong kilala na guy na.
Anyway, thank you, boss.
Thank you.
I'm so happy that you're happy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for calling.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for your advice as well for Jojo. I'm sure it'll go a long way. Wow. So someone actually called the girl
Yeah.
and say, I'm gonna
Did he
call
actually
off.
call the girl mismo?
I think message. I'm not sure about the semantics
Yeah.
if it's like
Insane.
I'll call off my wedding.
Yeah.
Ganon ka.
Grabe.
Shish.
Oh my God.
medyo wild.
Medyo wild naman.
And that
But
was,
okay, we should not be surprised because people in married relationships, like,
Yeah,
they still
yeah.
do this
That's
kind of
true.
thing. So
Oh yeah. Hello?
Hi guys, good evening.
Hi.
Yeah, this is Reynold.
what's up,
Reynold.
Yeah,
Okay.
Are
Reynold
you
again,
a
yeah.
rap?
Yeah, ako when I had my breakup,
Mhm.
ang dinevelop ko muna is my spirituality.
Wow. Okay.
Wow, that's
Kasi
awesome. How do you?
there are relationships kasi na sometimes hindi siya yung God-centered ba?
Okay.
You know, yung puro partying lang, ganun, inom, labas.
Ano naman tayo?
To the point na nakakalimutan mo na
Judge mo si
yung...
Gino.
Sakit mo naman salita, sir. Hindi naman porket pumaparty tuminom, hindi na naniwala sa Diyos.
Si Jojo di na nga lumalabas eh.
Yeah.
No, before your breakup, were you already religious and then you just found the Lord again? Or parang...
Yeah, ako, I'm actually religious. Pero minsan nagkakataon na pag nagdala ka ng partner mo, you know.
Nagkakasala.
So happened that my ex was, hindi siya yung ganun ka.
And also, not as devoted.
Can we just state that there's a huge difference between being religious
And
and
spiritual.
being spiritual?
Yeah.
Because you can be religious, you follow all the things that,
Yeah.
all the motions, you go
Yeah.
through all the motions, but you don't really follow it. No?
You can also be, like super close to the Lord but not go to mass.
Yeah, exactly.
Do
Yeah,
these
yeah.
things.
Yes.
So which are you, sir? Reynold.
Pardon? Sorry.
Alin ka doon? Are you...
Spiritual or
Oo.
religious?
Well, both actually.
Okay.
Yes.
So just devout
okay.
in general.
Yeah, devout.
Practicing.
Catholic? Christian? Catholic. Okay.
Wait, sorry, I missed out on your answer earlier. If you already had a good relationship with
Higher being.
a higher being
The Lord.
before you got into the relationship
Yes.
or after?
Yeah, before.
Before pa lang. So when you broke up, you kind of just strengthened that
Bond.
bond again.
Yeah.
Yes, because during the relationship, parang nawala.
May ganun naman talaga eh.
Actually, you know what?
You'll meet someone that will teach you something new, or
Will change you.
you forget
No, plus
your
generally,
Things that you already knew.
yeah.
even not
The latter.
Oh.
even not in a relationship sense, we kind of have the tendency to, like, I find myself doing this. Now, if I'm in need or if I'm in trouble, like, I'll pray often. But when things are going good, parang,
Thanks,
what do I
ka
say?
na lang.
Puro thanks lang eh. Kasi
Bless
parang,
ko, Lord na lang.
wala.
See, we're totally different. Every morning,
You pray because you're thankful.
thankful. The gratitude.
Grateful.
Hindi, pero ang nanonotice ko, I do naman. I say
Yeah,
thanks.
yeah.
Like, oh, thank you for the
Yeah,
roof
yeah.
that you put over my head, the ability to feed my children or whatever. But like, I don't have like deep conversations.
First thing in the morning, before I even touch my phone.
Wait, to which God do you pray?
That's a good question.
I see it's not like
Universe.
The universe.
Yeah.
I sit there and then 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, I'll get up. When I get up, cold shower, then sit, and that's it. I won't even touch my phone.
I do that also.
Yeah.
I get
Cold
up,
shower?
I go to shower, and then I sit in
Yeah.
front of the computer for 5 hours.
Valorant.
No, I don't move.
Because the first 5 minutes when you wake up is the most crucial. It's the alpha stage
And
for
I-
manifesting.
And I use
So
it to
it's
check
so
Instagram.
important.
Same.
Ako hindi. It's so important for those 5-10 minutes
to do
really,
something that you really...
Yeah, to really what you really want.
You know what? That makes so much sense. That's why when you wake up and you do it, the first 5 minutes...
That's the most important thing nga naman to
That's
you.
the most... It is the most important
I
thing.
only last 2.5.
Exactly, so meron
Reynald.
pa. May time pa,
Wait,
diba?
Reynald's still there. Yes, Reynald. We're so sorry.
Yes. No. Yeah. Ako kasi what I did is every time I wake up, I pray the rosary first.
Oh, you.
Nice.
All right.
So Reynald, so now that every girl that you meet now, that's kind of like, okay, you know what? You have to be somewhat spiritual. There's got to be some kind of base around a higher being.
Thank God, my girlfriend right now is, religious.
Okay.
We've been
Okay.
together
Did it
for 8
become
years.
like ano for you, like an important criteria na okay, you know what, this is what happened to this previous relationship and
Sobrang
nilalayo
chiksa
ako sa
nito,
Diyos.
kaso.
Pero so the one, my next girlfriend, kailangan same level ko sa spirituality and sa, faith.
Not naman that.
It just so happened.
Yeah, so. Tsaka this one thing that I realized, mahirap talaga pag magkaiba kayo ng
Religion.
ng religion.
Correct.
Yeah.
Regardless, Catholic and Protestant, Iglesia, Christian, mahirap. Sobrang hirap. Kasi iba talaga yung beliefs eh. That's what I've discovered. Kasi meron ako naging girlfriend.
I think not only
Christian.
I don't think only religion, Reynald. I also think politics eh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Yan dalawa na yan, ang hirap.
That's so true.
Argument.
So true.
Pero feeling ko talaga, yung mga yan...
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Reynald. Ingat ka.
May nagtatanong dito yung mga playback eh. May Viva Max ka ba?
as a devout...
Wala.
As a
Wala.
devout...
Oh.
Nice one, Reynald.
Reynald.
You passed the test.
You passed it.
You passed the test.
Kasi meron namang libre na wala subscription.
Marami.
Marami naman.
Pinay-check pa.
No, diba, who was it? I was actually talking to somebody about it. Kasi diba, if we were to base it on like, diba, there's every time if you commit a mortal sin, then you are going to hell, right? Something like that.
Yeah.
And
Something like that.
I don't know if this is accurate, but like I did a quick chat GPT search on
Okay.
like what are considered as mortal sin. Swearing, cursing is one
So
of
we're
them.
going to hell, all of
We're
us.
all going to hell. If that's the case, diba? Parang
No, I got VIP.
naka-guest list ka na.
2000,
GL.
2006 pal. VIP.
So I would like to think that maybe it changed a little bit, like that. There's a little bit because he is
I think so too.
He's a
I
forgiving
believe
God,
that.
right?
Yes, yes.
I would like to believe that, but yeah. Okay.
863-10899. Hello.
Jojo, dating up na.
Thank you, sir. Huwag na patagalin pa.
What's your name, sir?
Rekta na.
Hello?
I'm Neil.
Neil. Meron ka bang gustong ireto kay Jojo?
Wala.
Pero mag-dating up siya.
Mag-bumble ka na.
Wala eh, pero...
Bakit wala ka mareto kay Jojo?
Did you raise? You raise Bumble? Right?
No, I will, pwede i-relog in ko lang kasi nag-sign out ako.
Nag-sign out
and
ka
then
na.
log in na lang ko
Question,
lang.
nung kayo na ni...
What's your name again?
Sandra.
Sandra.
Okay, sorry, na-confuse ako. Yung isang milyon na isip ko. I was about to say it.
Yung ano?
Ako rin eh.
Yung basketball team dati. Diba? Hornets.
Kinasal na siya eh.
Okay. Timo.
They exist again now, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Of course they are. Of course they are. Anyway, sorry. Nung naging kayo na ba ni Girlie, nag-re-log in ka ng dating app?
Wala pa.
Kahit check lang.
Wala. And then right now, pwede na kasi legal na.
Let's play a game. Let's re-download Bumble right
Let's
now.
do it.
At Jojo's phone.
Tapos kami titingin. Kami yung mag-approve.
Kami magsaswipe para
Okay,
sa'yo.
sige.
Ready? Let's go!
Na-excite yung mga hindi nag-Bumble ever.
Never ako nag-Bumble in my life.
Actually, you know what? To be honest, yun yung one of the things that I
May
feel
medyo
like I
regrets mo.
missed out
Okay,
on.
okay,
Kasi by the time that I
can
got
still
together...
join.
No, bro.
Gago! No, he cannot.
By the time I got together with my wife, it was pre, dating apps, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I just wanted to see like what that
Anong
scene
feeling
is
lang?
like. And syempre, feeling ko, I'm sure may kilig din yan na parang, she's
Siyempre, you
a
feel,
guy,
parang,
But God, I feel like I would, I feel like I would like,
Ho out there. Feeling ko din.
no, not hoe out, but more of like, feeling ko aasa agad ako. Because like,
Your personality.
parang I feel like I'm really not.
Mas batak pa si Jojo sa'yo sa ganyan.
Oo naman.
For sure.
Neil, are you still there?
Pangmahalan ako.
Yes.
Neil, anong advice mo kay Jojo? Ito, i-download na namin ang Bumble sa phone niya ngayon.
Umpisa mo muna sa try mo muna Grindr. Baka dun yung calling.
Baka naman. 2024 na, Joe. Walang judgment.
Ganyan eh.
Neil, grind.
Neil, sira ulo ka.
Loko ka.
Sabi nga nila, di ba, never say no until you've tried it.
True,
Try mo
Jo.
na ba?
Malay mo.
Yun lang advice ko. Thank you.
Thanks, Neil.
Thanks, Neil.
Ingat ka.
Alright. Let's take a quick one and come right back.
Itong si Neil, feeling ko kung kabarkada mo sa coupe siya.
Feeling ko din.
And we'll actually check out Jojo's
Let's
Bumble
go.
account.
So excited.
We'll be the ones to swipe for him.
Love it.
Okay?
Let's do it.
Okay. Coming up right after this.
Make your holidays filled with love, laughter, and music.
7:28 more days ago before Christmas. And
it feels like it's already here. Traffic-wise.
it's nice to see Jojo back after a couple months.
You know what I noticed with Jojo? He always shows up when we have guests.
Yeah, the last time you were here,
I'm gonna call it
Salome
spin
Salvi.
spin.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I think before that we had the singer, singer Gutierrez.
Diego, that was the same night.
Yeah.
When he said snort pole.
Are we not enough for you, Joe?
Ano naman? I just miss you guys. Especially Tony.
And especially now,
Especially
no?
Tony.
We miss
Especially now,
we've been together.
So, okay.
Sakto yung pag-break ni Jojo, no?
Oo nga eh.
2
Kayo
weeks
na-
break
okay,
pa lang.
Single ka, di ba? Tapos
Yeah.
lahat ng may caller tayo kanina, si Ana ata nagsabi na this is the time na kailangan mong to lean on your friends. Di ba? And Tony is your best friend, right?
One of the friend.
So hindi mo
Who's
siya
your
best
best
friend. Hindi ka pala best friend,
Hindi,
Tons.
best friend.
Sorry.
Who's your best friend?
Sino best friend mo?
Wala namang best friend.
Why is your voice getting higher and higher?
Sino best friend mo?
Si God ang best friend.
Babatuhin ko to ng bote.
Sa mga tao, sinong best friend mo sa tao?
Tony was one of my friends.
Bakit one of lang?
Saka one of my
Best-
friends. Ano,
best
acquaintance?
Oo nga, one of your friend.
Sino hindi na friend mo?
No, we're friends.
Sino sa...
Ano? Sino? Si Sam?
No.
Si Sam, ano si Sam sa'yo?
Si good friend of mine. Good friend.
How about si Slick?
It's a good friend.
Kasi i-rank mo silang tatlo kasi sabay mo sila na-meet, diba?
Yeah.
Kanino ka pinaka-close, tas yung steady lang, tas yung kanino ka pinaka-hindi close.
I've been with Tony. Tony especially.
Number one.
Number two is Sam and number two.
So, di kayo close si Slick?
We're close with Slick but
Ano ayaw mo kay Slick?
Oo nga, ano? What do you have against Slick?
Now, most of the time, nakakasama ko si Tony kasi.
Okay.
We've been 5 years together. every
May problema ka ba kay Slick?
No, walang problema. I used to sing this wedding.
You sang at his wedding?
Yeah.
Akala ko may problema.
Yeah, he regrets you singing.
Sing si wedding, di ba?
So, parang sinira mo daw ata ng wedding niya ng konti.
I don't know. But,
okay.
sumaya yung daddy.
Dahil dun sa ranking na yun, so kunwari silang tatlo, nakasabit sila sa cliff.
Ay,
Tapos
oo.
nakahawak silang tatlo. So una mo si save si Tony.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Tapos ang pangalawa mo si save si Sam.
Yes.
So
Tapos,
si Slick kaya mo mamatay? So ano problema mo kay Slick?
No, we're not problem with Slick. Slick and I are good. Pero hindi kami as in close like. Kasi most of the time nakakasama ko si
wait lang,
Tony.
gusto ko lang i-call out no, na habang nangyayari ito,
Oo nga,
nag-usap
si
tayo.
Tony
Si Tony, may kumukuha na number
Oo
dito.
nga grabe. Smooth eh. The smoothest.
Hindi ako nagkumuha ng number. Nagbibigay ako ng hotspot.
That's the spot right there.
Wala
Oh, how about G?
The internet is slow. So I want to give her a hotspot.
Sweet naman.
Diba?
The hottest spot.
Kung di lang phone ko to, I'd give her my phone eh.
Hayop.
Grabe ka talaga, Tones.
So nakakonect ba? Hindi?
Such a giver.
Give it.
So ayaw.
Hindi, okay lang. Pwede.
Wag na daw.
I know the password naman.
Ito na.
Sige.
O si Jojo.
Yan.
Wow. Gentleman.
Tapos tinan mo si Jojo nalagay ni number niya. Jojo.
Yung number niya sa cellphone.
Love, survive.
Mami,
AAA Jojo.
Mamaya, ubos yung Gcash mo.
Ninakawan.
Scammer ka pala, Jojo eh.
Meron na. Okay, let's as promised, we were gonna go through for the very first time. Jojo has downloaded. Reopened.
Logged in.
Logged back into Bumble for the first time in a year after the relationship was almost a year.
Yes, almost a year.
Wala pa bang 1 year? Parang nag-anif kayo?
They dated.
lang. Parang every month kasi may 14.
May monthsary sila.
May monthsary.
So nakailang monthsary kayo?
Hindi ko mga kanden.
Hinahinay yung salita mo, ginajudge ka ng mga katabi mo. Ayan.
Mga 11? Ganun?
11,
So hindi kayo just under 1 year?
Yeah, there's 1 year.
Pakita mo naman konti na medyo sad ka, Jo. Alam mo yun, parang wag naman yung sobrang happy mo, 2 weeks pa lang.
Parang angels eh. Nakita ko iba.
Hayop mo.
Nagsa-celebrate pa rin mga monthsary pa rin? Or no, hindi na?
No.
Are you all single? All of you?
Wow.
Have you met our friend, Jojo?
Yeah, we met earlier.
Yeah. Have you met our friend Tony? Who's also single? Sige, manok mo si Jojo, manok ko si Tones.
Teka lang, pwede po mong palit na manok.
Say it again.
Have you met our single friend Jojo? What about our single friend Tony? Ay,
Yes? You met him as well?
may giggle.
Yung kay Jojo.
Pero, save me.
Jojo, ito na. Kasi, we want you to find your happiness, di ba? And practice makes perfect, di ba? Gusto ko mabalik
And
mo
we
yung
all
confidence mo, di ba? Kasi I'm sure, like after a breakup, lalo na ikaw yung iniwan, di ba? Medyo blow sa ego mo yon. So, we want you to build your confidence up again. Di ba? Gusto natin i-build up ulit si Jojo.
Mukha bang malungkot si Jojo? Parang hindi.
Right now,
Ang saya niya ngayon.
Naman ng mga friend.
super, we're really looking out for him.
Yeah.
So, this is your chance, Jo. You have 3 beautiful girls beside you. Take it away.
Hi. Ay, maganda. I like your dress.
Pakilala ka muna. Alam mo ba pangalan nila?
Oo nga.
What's your name again?
Hi, Jo. I'm Rob.
Ross and
Rob.
Rob and then Rika. Rob, Rika and
Mali. Oh.
Rika,
Wala pala.
Rob and
Wala pa tayong 5.
Vern.
Oh, sige,
Tapos?
ulitin mo, baliktarin mo. Sino to?
Rob, Vern, and Rika.
Ayos.
Yeah.
O kunyari, you're gonna ask them out. Paano mo gagawin?
Ano yung style?
Simple lang. Hi, Rob.
Huwag kang tumingin sa baba. Sa mata ka tumingin. Utang na loob, Jo. Eye contact.
Hindi, I contact nga.
Grabe na ka.
Guys, i-defend ko lang si Jojo Sobra kasi siyang fan ng fashion.
Yeah.
And sabi, di ba yung stinart niya kanina? Sabi niya, parang ang ganda ng dress mo.
Ang ganda ng dress.
So, hindi niya mapigilan na patingin sa dress eh.
Yeah.
Kunwari ngayon, sasabihin ko, ang ganda ng pantalon mo, Tin. Di ba? Oh, ganun yun.
I love your dresses.
What about it do you love?
Yeah, the beauty. Di ba parang sa
Beauty.
makeup, lahat, perfect lahat siya.
Perfect lahat.
And then si Vern, parang beauty pageant siya, contestant.
Okay.
Okay.
May lahi si Vern, you are half ka ba? Or
tao. Happy.
And then,
Animal. Happy in life.
And
And
then,
then-
Rika is very beautiful here. And then, parang siyang very southern girl type.
Southern
Ano ibig
girl.
sabihin nun?
Parang taga Cebu type of girl na parang gano'n.
Okay.
Kasi when Gina, you're in Cebu, di ba? Parang mga girls from Cebu, just like Rika, di ba? Parang gano'n.
Taga Cebu ka ba, Rika? Hindi.
The beauty is like a Cebuana beauty.
Nakita mo ba yung dimples ni Rika?
Yes. I love Rika.
Sobrang,
Yeah.
you love her na agad.
I love his smile.
See Rob, what do you love about Rob? What do you love about Rob?
Rob is the passion, sexy, and then... Pero pala, walang galim. Tingin.
Sa tawas ka tumingin.
No.
Sa mata ka tumingin, Jo.
Sa mukha.
This is the...
Hindi, banlag si Joe.
Yeah.
Banlag talaga siya eh.
Pero yung banlag niya pababa. Pababa lang.
WP lahat eh. Walang patapon eh.
Walang patapon. Nag-invento pa ng term.
I love these girls. Very, so, parang lahat sila eh.
Okay, so kunwari lang, girls, if you don't mind, ano lang, you don't have to go out with them.
Ano lang,
Kunwari
binibuild up lang naman yung confidence.
Ano yung, how do you ask someone out?
Proud.
Like kunwari ngayon, kakamit mo lang sa kanila, di ba? Oh.
Pili ka.
Si Rob.
Okay.
So si Rob.
Where would you take Rob?
Dito na, 12 monkey siguro. Or,
Gagamitin pa yung points. Kasi makikidiscount. Tons, pasigning ka naman.
Alam mo, buti kung discount. I think hinilibre ka lahat.
Tons, may signing ka ba tonight?
Hindi talaga mo siya. Like, di ba, ano bang nasa 12 Monkeys,
And,
Jojo? Di ba,
12 Monkeys,
banda?
we have band.
Why don't you ask her, like, ano yung
Anong
hilig niya sa music?
Music-wise,
band mo,
yeah.
and also, anong favorite band?
Ako, ano ba? Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
And what type of music do you want? Ano bang gusto mo? Free ka ba tonight?
Oy, tonight agad.
What?
Wow.
Ano bilis?
Tutugtog pala yung mayonnaise sa 12 months na.
Mayonnaise ka. Check mo bilis.
Yung totoo, Rob.
Yeah, let's go to 12 Monkey. I know that there's a good ambience, good music there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Where would you take Vern naman?
Vern, maybe Rebel.
Why don't you ask?
Bakit puro business ito?
Oo nga, ba't puro kay Tones? Wala bang ibang lugar, Jo?
Why don't you ask
Hindi,
her?
ganito.
Ayan, Rebel.
Na may rule tayo, bawal. Bawal mga bar tsaka club ni Tones.
Okay.
Si Vern. Maybe isa kan, Din Tai Fung.
Din Tai Fung.
Bakit doon?
Dinner.
Yeah, there's good Chinese food there.
Tapos pag ganun ba, would you take care of ordering or would you ask her kung ano gusto niya?
Anong gusto mo orderin? What's food do you favorite?
Ikaw.
Ay, patay!
Patay tayo.
Kasama siya sa dish?
Pero actually, dapat tinanong mo muna kung mahilig ka ba sa Chinese food. Kasi,
Yeah, what's your favorite food pala? Okay lang ba Chinese style food? Or?
Oo, naman basta kasama kita.
yan. Ang lakas pa yung Jojo.
Dating game eh, no?
Iba talaga tong
Searching
bata
number
mo to.
3.
Wow, Joe.
Yeah, si Rika.
Rika. Where would you ask Rika what she likes?
Ano bang gusto mo sa buhay? What's you want? Food, favorite
Malalim.
drinks?
Oh.
Buhay agad.
I want Chinese food.
Oh,
Chinese
wow.
food.
What's your poison? Anong drinks mo?
What's your poison?
Poison. Sa alak.
Yes.
Poison talaga. Poison talaga.
Racumin.
Muriatic!
Ano favorite drinks mo?
So hard.
Hard.
Diba,
But
Jo,
because-
ikaw, you give it hard.
I hit you hard.
Oh my God.
Hard in drinking. In drinking.
Okay.
Drinking.
Ano ba yan? Iniinom ni Gina yung Petron na patron.
Petron.
Huwag naman Petron. Huwag naman sana Petron.
XCS.
Patron.
Para mas masarap yung tama.
Patron.
97 octane.
Akin na yung bumble mo.
Yeah, you can hear.
Okay, let's see. You can read
ito na sa
the
Dubai yan.
interest of the girls.
Sige.
That's the palm.
But we can't show obviously our viewers kasi not all of them would probably want to be seen.
Yeah, of course. No, we will not show
Yeah, we will
any
not.
other
Absolutely
photos
not.
or whatever.
Anonymous.
So this girl, she is 34, only a few years younger than you.
Older than Tones, though.
Oh, older than Tones.
Seems like she's well-traveled and adventurous.
Adventurous siya, Jo. Adventurous siya.
Ano bang age
skydiving.
range mo? From what? 20?
Mga
18?
33 to... Hindi nagkakalayo eh. 32 to 38. Parang kasing age ko lang. Parang gano'n.
Ito, Jo, ito yung mga hinahanap niya. She's looking for a life partner. That could be you.
Are you ready to be a life partner?
Pwede.
Pwede? She's
Pero
looking
kanina
for
gusto niya mag-date lang. No?
Labo mo, Jo. She's looking for humor. May humor ka ba?
May humor naman tayo.
Nakakatawa ba si Jojo, guys?
Natatawa ba kayo kay Jojo?
Ano ba buisit yan?
I mean, either way, basta tumatawa sila.
Si Vern hindi natatawa. Si Vern silent lang.
She's looking for kindness. Bait ka naman, di ba? Kaya lang, dito tayo nayari doon sa huli niya hinanap loyalty. Wala na.
Ayun lang.
Swipe right.
I want to ask these girls as well, what was it that the most important characteristic?
When you're looking for someone,
ano?
kahit dating lang. Like, kunwari, parang somebody that...
Ano mahirap ngayon sa lalaki?
Lahat ng lalaki ngayon, kupal.
Respect.
Respect. Okay, respect. Si Vern, Rob. Loyal. Hirap ba? Hirap na loyal. Ngayon.
Yeah, same.
Loyalty also.
Tao nagsiseryoso.
Pero ang hirap, di ba? Kasi I mean,
I think it's...
and it's not something that you see right off the bat. Alam mo yun, parang pag nakita mo yung tao, hindi mo naman, ay, mukhang loyal to. Di ba? Parang you can't.
Yeah.
So, in terms of general ugali, like, what are the things that are green flags for you guys? Like, parang
Family-oriented.
family-oriented, okay.
And God-fearing.
God-fearing.
Religious.
Oh my God, it's a cross!
I was listening and watching this local podcast. I forget who it was. Dalawang babae. And they said, wala na yung
God-fearing.
nagsusulat ng love letters.
No.
Because she read her mom's love letter.
Now it's a reel. I'll
And
make a reel for you.
She's in her late 20s, 30s.
Okay.
I would think these two girls, late 20s, 30s. And I said, why isn't there's no one
that writes
letters?
Because
no one
nobody reads.
No one picks them up. Meet na lang tayo dito.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A lot of the guys that they've been dating, meet tayo. And then after.
Si Bruno Mars kasi, sabi niya, just meet me at the... Salanan ni Bruno yan eh.
Brunster.
So a lot of guys don't write the letters. A lot of guys just text, DM.
Parang lazy na nga ang courtship na
Yun
yun.
na nga,
eh.
that's it.
But because we make it so
challenge.
accessible, like
Yeah.
you can
We're
just,
so, yeah.
oh, you like me already because you swiped right. Diba?
Dati,
Dati kasi hindi mo alam yan eh, na
Yung,
parang...
tsaka yung dati,
Oh.
tsaka paghihirapan mo pa kunin yung number.
The number,
diba?
you go to the white pages.
Toads, that's way too far back. Okay, let's reel it in. Okay,
naman white
let's
pages.
2010s. Okay?
Kami naman nagtanong lang ako ng ano yung BBM niya. Ano yung Blackberry mo, di ba?
No, really.
Yung tatanungin mo pa yung number ng tao, yun yung nakakamiss na
Yeah,
part. Kasi
right.
effort yun eh. And bravery. Diba?
Yeah.
Ngayon wala na. Kasi ngayon, like, sige.
I would always
What's
just
your
ask
IG?
someone eh. Na
What's
parang,
your
"Oy,
IG?"
Can you
Yeah.
hook me up?
No one needs that anymore because all you have to do is just slide into someone's DMs.
Yeah, that's true.
Before, you wouldn't want to give your number. May nagtatanong,
I wanted to give my number. I already got it.
now, when someone asks your IG, you want them to follow. Oh, sige. IG.
No, kasi
DM na lang.
extra follower din yan.
Extra follower. And you can always put
Pag
them...
social media kasi parang feeling mo, parang pang-feeling ka lang.
Ganun ba yung ganun ba yung dating
Hindi pang
mo sa
seryoso.
media?
Hindi pang long term.
Is that the...
O yun, may nagtatanong na sa playback, ano po email address mo? O, para seryoso talaga, di ba?
Actually,
Ito, galawang tones. Ano email address
I've
mo?
actually asked one girl way back before Boys Night Out,
What's your email address?
what's your email address?
Tones.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wait lang we've been talking to them for a while. Can we introduce them properly?
And sorry, si Direk nagagalit eh. Ang layo sa mic.
Oh, ganito tayo sa mic.
Lapit.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ladies
And gentlemen.
Boys and girls,
Children of all ages.
for the millions
And millions.
listening and watching,
All over the world.
please welcome from Viva Max.
VMX.
VMX.
na.
Tony's most used app ever.
Where I feel like he's also a shared investor.
Ding it.
I would not be
Just
surprised
like with Go Rocky.
with 11 million subscribers.
Pero matagal na yon, I'm sure dumami na lalo ngayon.
Feeling ko nasa 13 million subscribers.
Maniakers.
2 of them are in this booth. Who it is, you decide.
I am a subscriber.
Show us your forearm.
Patingin.
Jojo is
Ano
one.
Viva Max mo? Titingnan ko
Wala dyan.
Wala.
Nasa,
Asan?
Nasa laptop ko.
Nasa.
Kasi mas malaki screen.
Matuwa ka na lang na yung phone na hinahawakan mo.
Stop!
Hindi pa naman yan.
Okay.
Hindi, sa laptop ako.
Isang ano daw yun.
Yeah,
Sa
yung isang
laptop.
phone na.
Kasi sa laptop, widescreen eh.
Gets, Jojo, gets.
cinematic experience.
Napanood mo na ba silang tatlo?
I watched si Angelica Kang.
Angelica
Kang. And then si Salome. The Tahong. I watched the
Salome, Tahong.
I watched Salome.
Complete your sentences, Jojo.
We watched together.
Anong movie yun, Jo?
And we've had Rob here before.
Anong movie yun? Tandaan mo.
Nakalimutan ko na. What's the title of the movie?
Nanood kayo ng Viva Max sabay dalawa?
Marami.
Grab close talaga kayo. Sobrang close ng besties indeed.
Sa isang couch.
Kaya pala ayaw mo kay Slick kasi hindi manonood si Viva na Slick ng Viva Max with you.
Nakasama ka.
Ako nasa couch. Sa chair.
Kwento lang natin, mabilis lang.
So we have Rob Ginto, we have Vern, and we have Rika.
Hi, ladies. So, dati kasi, si Jojo tsaka si Tony, lagi sila nag-out of town together. Tas isang kwarto lang sila. Lagi yan.
Tapos one time, nalungkot sila.
Kita nyo naman si Tony. Obviously, lakas sa chicks ito, diba? So, lagi siyang may
FYI lang.
inuwi.
Alam ko si Rob, alam na to basically. No? Parang alam mo na malakas yung kaibigan namin. No? Pero for Vern and Rika, for context lang, sobrang lakas nito.
Sobrang lakas niya.
Hindi lang sa babae, pati sa lalaki.
Super.
Grabe. Hindi namin ma-explain.
Super.
Minsan nga ako, kasal na ako, may anak na ako. Minsan parang na-in love pa rin ako. Parang, grabe, iba.
Pero for this story, so ano sila, diba? Roommates. Si Tony may inuwing babae. Diba? So, ano sila? Dumu sila. Si Jojo nasa katabing kama.
Gising.
Look at how he's proud. Nanood na ako I see the greatness.
Ginamit niya.
Ito kasi gusto ko itanong, Jo. Ang sinabi ni Tony, tumayo ka daw, tas doon ka sa tabi nila nagganon. Totoo ba yun?
Sa kabila ako And then, nagkumot ako. Talokbong. And then,
So wait. So tinalikuran mo sila. So essentially, yung...
Tumayo muna.
Tumayo muna ako.
Tumayo ka, tapos tinignan mo. Pinanood mo.
Pinanood ko. Sabi ko.
So sinave mo lang yung image.
Memory. And then,
What did you say?
May binanatan siya. But that's, parang ako nakakita si LeBron James, dinakdakan Parang All-Star game na dinakdakan.
Minumura na tayo ng playback. Inang Soto.
Dinakdakan kayo. Pero but that's the good. As in, harap-harapan But, nainggit ako that time. Honestly, sana maganon ako.
Sana pa sana all ka na.
So tumalikod ka.
Susunod meron ka na kasama.
Sana. Tumalikod ako din.
Oh my gosh. He's just like...
Paputok lang. Ano lang? Very matter of fact. Tumalikod ako.
Matagal, mabilis.
Parang mabilis lang. Kasi pag-isip ko, yung bibig ko may brief na hantod na pula.
Oh my God.
Ito yung mga bagay, John, na isipin mo muna bago mo i-share.
No. That's the reality.
Kanino yung brief na pula?
Kay Tony.
Hindi niya rin alam. Apparently, may pumasok din, tapos nakijaks lang.
Sa gardener. Inaglinis na.
Nakabusal ka na pagising mo.
Nag-order kasi na room
Wala
service.
pa Pagkagising ko, may brief na sa bibig ko.
Bakit nasa bibig mo?
Bakit nasa bibig mo,
I don't know
Jo?
what's happened. May something na
Kasi you're snoring.
It's snoring.
So sinuksok mo yung brief mo sa bibig niya?
Brief? Ba't di man lang brief niya?
Yung timing kasi, narinig ko yung...
Oh, yeah.
Off! It's so off!
Ganon katagal si Toads. Natapos na si Toads. Natapos na si Jojo. Nakatulog na.
Go pa rin.
Gumago pa rin si Toads.
Yan ang kaibigan namin.
Marathoner. Tama yung sinabi nila, parang cuckold. Medyo ganun na.
Ano yung cuckold?
No, voyeur. I believe voyeur is the term.
Cuckold?
Whenever you like.
Is that a bad word?
Cuckold kasi is, no. It's when you want
in a
your
relationship
partner to be someone else to do it with your partner.
And then you watch.
Voyeur is just watching.
Well, sabagay, partners sila.
But thank you girls for coming on the show.
Thank you for coming,
Let's go with Rob first. Obviously, you have a movie out. Please tell us which movie this is.
Yung unang tikim, this November 29 na yan sa VMX app.
Tomorrow na.
Tomorrow?
Yeah,
Midnight.
4 hours. 4 hours.
Sa VMX app, so ito, unrated, uncut version siya ng...
Ang gusto ko
Meron yan.
Si Tin, mahilig sa uncut din.
Oh my gosh.
Unang tikim.
Wait lang ha.
Unang tikim.
Ano yung story niyan?
Kasama ko dito si Angelica.
Oh, yan na.
Si Jojo.
Panoorin ko.
Kanina mo pa bukang bibig.
Tinan mo si Jojo, nag-light up yung mata.
Oo nga eh.
I watch it. Mamaya, abangan ko yan.
Barkada naman kayo eh, right? Was it easy to work with her? I see you out with her.
Di ba nakita tayo sa...
Rob, please, do not.
No.
Saan, Rob?
Saan, Rob?
Please.
Sige, tuloy mo, Rob.
Bigyan mo kami information. Saan mo siya nakita? Kasi gusto lang naman namin makasama yung friend namin sa labas.
Miss na namin siya.
Hindi kami sinasabihan kung saan siya napupunta eh. Para magugulat na lang kami. Nasa G-side.
So saan, Rob? Saan?
Rebel.
Sa Malate?
Gas station.
Sa gas station.
Gas station. Nagpagas.
Ang bilis nung ano ah.
Ang bilis
Gas
ng
station.
bilis ng
Medyo
pag-usap
random
nila.
pero sige.
Ako lang sa, uy, Tony. Di ba? Hindi siya sa kabilang.
Madaling araw yun eh. So weird.
Cut ko lang konti ha. Alam ko, ito may nag-message sa akin. Meron akong kaibigan, nakatira sa isa sa mga kondo malapit-lapit dito. Nag-message sa akin, uy, just saw your boy. Just saw your boy Tones. Just dropped off a girl at the lobby.
I brought Dax.
How come you never brought anyone of us ducks?
You know, si Slick pa yung libre sa akin ng Dax. Di man lang ikaw.
Ay, talaga?
Oo,
sige.
ganyan ka eh.
Ako, I'll deliver.
Ganyan ka eh.
Nagde-deliver talaga ako eh. I sent her
Ay,
Dax.
oo.
Si Rob lang.
Natikman mo.
Ang
hindi
napansin
pa si
ko,
Vern, hindi pa si
Masarap
Vern.
daw yung duck. Sabi niya.
nagde-deliver lang siya ng
Sabi nga
ducks
ni
pag
Tones,
babae.
papadala daw ulit siya.
Yeah.
Ay, padala yung ducks.
Oo naman.
Bagal mo, Tones ah. Minsan ko lang sabihin yan.
Speaking of unang tikim, let's actually show the
We have the trailer.
Yeah.
Ready na. Direct.
Ano, lalaki na ba gusto mo? Ito na naman ba tayo? Uy, kagulo ng problema! Bakit ka naman rinasunod ang problema pa rin? Halata namang nilalandi ka ng lalaking yon, pero hinahayaan mo lang.
Ganda.
Okay, sound.
Ang sarap.
Ganda actually na soundtrack.
Sarap ba?
Ang sarap.
Unang tikim.
Iba nga naman talaga yung sarap ng una.
Unang tikim,
Diba?
ayan.
Hindi mo makakalimutan.
So yummy.
So yummy.
So ito,
Ice cream yummy. Naku.
Matagal na eh. Nasakan kami, Air Force One with Tony.
Oh!
Yun ang unang tikim. Unang tikim ng
Birthday niya.
Birthday ko eh.
Birthday gift.
Doon kami
Actually,
celebrate.
birthday gift.
Doon kami nag-celebrate.
Kailan to?
That was your absolute first time?
First time.
First time mo yun?
Sabi ni Tony, para matanggal stress mo.
What year was this? His first year with BNO?
Kasama ko friends ko from the States. eh.
Yeah.
So, ang ginawa from the club, they said,
Diretso.
hey, drive us. Ako bahala kay Joe. Japanese guy. And I was
Buti
like,
bukas pa. Oo.
24 hours naman yun.
that was
24 hours ba?
10 years
10
ago.
years ago.
Maybe 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Sino yung
11.
first mo?
Yeah.
John, meron akong question. Nagre-regret ka ba na yung first mo was not
walang
with someone
feelings?
na you love?
Wala naman kasi.
Mukha bang nagre-regret si
Wala.
Jojo?
I enjoy
Tignan mo.
kasi sabi ko, akala ko mag-airport kami ni Tony kasi may airplane eh. Sabi ko, airport na tayo. Akala ko pupunta kami ng out of town.
Tapos pinili mo yung girl or si Tony pumili for you?
Hindi
Pili
ako,
ka.
sila eh.
Sila.
I didn't go in eh.
Basok ka.
I ate. Because what I usually do, I drop them and I wait.
Sa kotse lang, gano'n.
Kasi kitang-kita na if it's me, right? So what I do is I order food and I wait for
Whoever,
Kenji yun eh. My friend Kenji.
Gusto ko yung pinangalanan
Oo
nila.
nga eh. Sinabi mo pa eh.
Okay lang.
Sinabi mo na nga hapon. Sinabi pa yung pangalan.
So he went in and this guy took forever.
Ba't nagtagal ka?
Yeah.
First time mo, matagal?
Matagal. Kasi parang pamili ka sa aquarium, di ba?
Oo.
Malaki.
Damn, Joe.
I remember na. I vividly remember. That's number 17 and number 9.
Tanda pa niya yung number.
Tandaan ko number. Sabi
favorite number mo ba?
ni Japanese guy, choose your number. Sabi ko, pagtingin ko, parang isda. Pag bukas ko,
Parang isda.
dami.
Do not solicit.
Tapos,
And then, yun na namili na ako. And then,
isa lang pinili mo.
isa lang. But the other guy choose two. Parang,
Oh, damn, si Kenji.
Ball si Kenji.
yeah. That's fun. It's fun. The first time, parang,
Tapos, yun, yung first time mo, gano'n ka katagal?
tagal din. Mga 1 oras din.
Ayop.
Sinulit ko eh. Kasi, pumapatak yung metro that time, the girls, and then yun gusto mong sulitin eh.
Natulog lang siya. Natulog lang siya.
So sa 1 hour, nakailang ka?
Alam.
Whatever.
Alam mo.
Okay. Nakaisa or nakaisa lang.
He was nervous.
Nervous ako eh. Parang siya.
Ayaw naman yung girl
Sabi,
na tagal.
sabi ng girl, ayaw tumayo. Kasi nervous.
Kinakabado ka.
Kinakabado ako eh. Sabi ko, ano ba to?
Ayaw daw. Kaya ang tagal.
Buti kwento mo to. At least ngayon alam ko na kung ano yung nangyayari sa mga lugar na ganun.
Thank you for
Thank you, Joe.
enlightening Gino. Kasi wala talaga siyang alam sa ganyan.
But you've never been before?
Never. Gino pa ba?
No?
Never.
Bahay Luna. You've been to Bahay Luna?
What's Bahay Luna?
Not yet.
Di ba Bahay?
We will go there.
Correct. Di ba Bahay? Nabalitaan ko lang. Nagkwento ng mga barkada ko sa akin.
Mali ka pala.
So Rob, could you see yourself obviously being in this scene with another woman?
Oh, kasi parang para sa akin kasi mas madali for me na
Ma-fall with a girl?
Ay, hindi. I mean, pag
Just to do the scene.
Oo, sa scene.
Mas komportable ka.
Mas komportable ako compare sa lalaki. Kasi alam namin sa isa't isa ng girl yung limitations namin.
And you can trust each other.
Pero but it's not the same for us guys eh.
No,
right? If it's a guy-to-guy scene.
Kasi
not.
may mga ibang guy
Yeah.
na talagang, alam mo yun, sinasamantala nila.
The working unprofessional.
Unprofessional
May mga
ones,
iba. Pero hindi pa naman
lahat,
nangyayari
oh.
sa akin.
Pero does it get weird between like like if you're friends, like is it weird na parang after remember that time that you kissed me on the, you know what I mean?
You
Like
grabbed
meron
my
bang
boob.
Oo.
Nagkakaanuhan nga kami ni Angel pag nag-uusap kami ng mga ganong eksena. Ayun, ginawa natin, nag-kiss tayo, ginawa natin yung boobs mo.
Oo.
Ganun.
So tawa lang.
Nakakatawa na lang,
Oo.
oo, nakakatawa na lang. Talagang work lang naman kasi talaga yung namin, yung isip namin doon while doing
Buti
that.
pa kayo, may ganun ang work niyo.
Pwede naman tayong gumawa ng ganyan. Kayo ni Jojo.
Ayoko.
Tons, ikaw at saka si Jojo. Ako, okay ako. Content ako sa trabaho ko. Content ako sa buhay ko. Ikaw yung nalulungkot na wala. Diba yan? No? Sige, kayo ni Jojo. Go lang.
Okay na ako.
Okay na.
Nilagay mo na naman yung brief mo sa bibig niya.
Grabe yun.
But may kan ba? Plaster ba? Kung girl to girl, wala.
Yeah, meron.
Meron pa rin.
Meron pa rin. Pero sabi nga namin sa isa't isa, kahit wala ni.
Basta kayo. Oo.
Kasi nga sobrang close kami ni Angie.
Yeah, but you guys are buddies eh.
Oo, talaga. As
Diba?
in, diba?
So the chemistry is already
Pag ganun, would it be easier to do a scene like that with someone naka-close mo, like si Angeli? Or with someone na medyo
Actually,
hindi?
nung first scene namin, nagtatawanan kami kasi ang first scene namin may kiss agad.
Okay.
So talagang
Wala mang warm up.
Simula ba? Parang umagang-umaga.
nakakatawa. Kaya ang sinabi ng director namin, si Direk Roman, sabi ko naman magtatawanan lang kayo talaga dito. Sabi ko, hindi naman direct, kasi nga pag tuwing, ilalapit na namin ang mukha namin sa isa't isa, tapos bigla kaming tatawa.
Oo.
Kasi nakakaiyak naman. Sa una talaga. Pero nung after that, okay naman.
Okay.
So what's the general rule there between the two of you? Okay, you're gonna go first. Kasi there's always the girl that or a guy that goes 60-40 or 80-20.
Depende sa eksena. If sa eksena is kailangan, dito, mas mukhang ikaw yung aggressive.
So practice kayo ni Jo. Yan.
Wait, practice natin. Paano magagawin yan?
Ang bilis ko, babe. Niloko. Natatanggal na headphones. Ay, break mo lang.
Akala ko broken-hearted ka.
Wala kasi, for the kan eh, parang
Kahit pakita mo naman, medyo sad ka ng konti, bro.
I want to know, di ba? I want to learn things, expand my horizon.
Ayop.
Okay.
Ang bilis, hindi pa tapos yung sentence nito. Nagtatanggal na na-ready na ako. Ang bilis, Rob. Sorry,
Nakita mo si Rob, ganyan siya.
Rob Rica, Jojo does not represent the views and opinions of the people running the show. Pero I always wondered kasi I mean obviously like as actors, 'di ba sometimes parang you get the feeling na parang you know what, I feel like kaya kong like I'll do a better take, I'll do ano. Is it weird kasi parang kunwari like let's just say that for context din is like one of my oldest friends, she's like the ninang to my kids. And if we had a scene together and even if like professional ako at gusto kong gawin na maayos yun, parang I'd be like
Tin,
Ano ba yan?
sorry pero feeling ko I can do a better job. Can we do it again? Meron bang time na gano'n na parang,
Saan ba? Sa pagdating sa love scenes?
Yes.
Sa love scene, wala. Hindi kami dumadating sa punto na talagang magsa-second take kami about sa love scene.
Okay.
Hindi naman. Talagang pag nandun na kami, ginawa na namin.
yun na yun.
Para isang
Okay,
beses
that's
na.
good. Okay. Because it
Yeah.
doesn't get awkward also na parang, ulitin natin parang to.
Hindi. Depende kapag once na nakulangan pa si Direk.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So next we have Miss Vern K. And what's your movie?
Parang malabo to si Vern.
Nahiya ka ba? Are you okay? Ayun.
Kasi ang ganda ng intro nito. So we have Vern K. Ayos tayo.
And which is your movie?
Yung movie ko is Boss Ma'am. And
Boss Ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Boss
now
Ma'am.
streaming. Kasama ko si Jen Rosa.
Okay.
That came out yesterday. Yeah, si Jen.
Yeah, I remember Jen.
Seryoso.
Yes.
Yeah. So are you the boss in this? Boss Ma'am? Boss Ma'am, no?
Or the ma'am?
Si Jen yung boss ma'am.
Okay.
Ako yung secretary niya. Tapos, magiging baliktad yung situation.
Role playing.
May plot twist.
May plot twist.
May plot twist.
Dahil GL siya, in the GL sense, pag may something na nangyayari, ikaw yung nagiging boss.
Sa bedroom, ikaw ang boss. Sige,
Nahuli ko yung
natin to trailer na to.
We have the trailer ready?
I believe we do.
All right.
Ang tagal kitang hinanap. Ang tagal kong hinintay na makita at makasama ko ulit.
Mali. Iba. Hindi sila yan. Okay na, take two.
Busy si Direk.
Direk, ano ka? Distracted ka?
Direk.
Si Jojo ka ba?
Focus.
Ano yung matamis?
Ito binigay ni Slick. Nilaglag pa si Slick.
Nag-anniversary pa Slick.
I think Slick was watching the wrong one.
Boss man.
Boss, ano ulit?
Boss Ma'am.
Boss Ma'am.
Boss Ma'am.
So,
Direk.
I guess it's almost like
Try ko hanapin siya.
the Mama San, except this is a boss. Boss Ma'am.
When you say mama sang, that's like a female pimp.
See, female pimp. Yeah.
No, Boss Ma'am is just like
No.
a lady boss.
Lady boss.
No, there's no pimp in here.
No, but I'm thinking this is my interpretation of it.
Of course, Stones
Right?
interprets it as there's a
Yeah.
Ayan, Boss Ma'am Viva Max trailer. Send ko to kay. Eto,
Okay.
nahanap ko, direct send ko sa'yo ngayon.
Anong role mo dito sa boss ma'am? Ikaw yung...
Siya yung secretary. Hindi nakikinig si Jojo. Kanina ko nito.
Nakatingin sa fashion.
Distracted na naman si Jojo. Secretary daw siya.
Oo, secretary.
Si Jen yung boss.
Na, very workaholic,
Okay.
loyal. Wow.
Loyal sa work.
Yes. And then after, she fired me.
Oh. There's no walang leading man or guys.
Merong guy,
Okay.
which is si Errol.
Oh,
okay.
Errol Carmela.
Okay.
Pero sa akin naman, yung ano ko dito is si Jan lang at saka ako. Si Errol, saka si Jan. Tapos ako, at saka si Jen.
Okay, gets.
Oh.
I believe Direk already has the trailer. Direk, do you have it?
He should have.
Is he gonna rip it pa ba? Or we can just play it directly from YouTube?
No, you can play directly from
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
He has it.
Let's just stare at the screen.
Okay.
Baka ma-pressure yung TV.
Ayan.
Sabi sa'yo, gagana eh.
Ito, take two.
Uy,
Boss
alam ko
Ma'am.
to. Sorry, CBC. Ito. Oops.
Pakilinis. What are you waiting for? What the hell are you doing? Sorry po, boss. How dare you wear my favorite stiletto? Ang sabi ko, linisan mo to. Hindi ko sinabing lalo mong damihan. Oh my God! Sorry po, boss. Akala ko nakauwi na kayo. Wait. Who is he? Si Jojo po. Bagong maintenance po.
Maintenance ba?
Si Jojo!
Oh, Lord. You are fired.
Oh, I mean,
Sensor.
Wow. Ano, suspense, ha? Drama.
Jojo talaga eh.
Thriller.
Jojo.
Mga Jojo talaga.
The maintenance guy.
Maintain lang.
Maintain lang ng maintain.
Maintain lang.
And next we have Rika. Miss Rika. And your movie is...
Silip.
Silip.
Favorite ni Jojo yan.
I love silip.
Hindi, parang pagpapasok ka ng club, di ba? Silip lang.
Silip
tayo.
lang.
Silip lang.
Tingnan natin kung sino nasa
Silipin
loob.
natin. Nandun
Stay
sa
ba tayo
Tones,
dito? Silip lang. Daang revel. Ganun.
And who's starring with you in this?
I'm with Carla Aquino and Lea Bernabe.
Okay.
Okay.
And anong papel mo dito? What's your role?
And what is it about? No.
Tungkol siya sa prosty na very hustler ako dito.
Hustler ka dito.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, si Carl is nag-work siya sa Paresan na lagi niya ako sinisilip sa window. Like, natatanaw niya ako dun sa may Paresan.
Okay.
So, once na mag-close na yung lights doon, ibig sabihin may transaction na nagaganap sa akin.
Oh.
Yeah,
So sumisilip lang siya.
Yeah.
Kaya silip.
Mm.
So, ano name ng character mo dito?
Oh my God, I forgot.
Nakalimutan yung pangalan niya.
Kasi ganda sana eh. No? Parang feeling ko missed opportunity ko Emily sana yung pangalan.
Emily?
Emily and Pares.
Si Diwata. Diwata pangalan.
Paris overload. Teka, hanapin ko yung trailer.
So ikaw, yung basically, yung character mo dito, I think this is it. This is it.
Here we
Ayan,
go.
ayan.
Okay, let's watch it.
Okay, sige.
Mahaba na naman yung leeg mo. Yan ba talaga type mo? May tsura ka naman. Pogi ka naman. Tapos diyan ka lang mapupunta sa pokpok na yan.
Uy.
Kapag sumara na yung kwartong ilaw na yan, may transaction ang nagaganap.
Kayo ba siya? Anong ginagawa niya sa 5,000?
Inuutosan ko siya. Nadilaan ako sa kahit saan ko gusto magpadila.
Damn!
Kahit yun yung trabaho mo, tutulungan kita.
Saan ba dito Paris na yan? Okay, parang okay dyan.
Parang mas okay magtrabaho dyan.
Lalaking sasagip sa kanya eh.
Tingnan ka ba talaga kamanhid? Gusto kita.
Di naman tama yung ginagawa niya sa'yo eh.
Sino ka ba? Alam mo ba kung magkano binabayad nun sa akin kada gabi? Kaya mo bang ibigay yun?
Sabat na ba yan para sa mga nawala mong kliyente? Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin sa akin na hindi ko kayang ibigay lahat ng naibibigay ng iba. Sino ba ito?
Job straight. Hook.
May ka sa trabaho mo, Rose. Mahalagahan kita.
Grabe.
Nalulungkot ako sa mga ganyan. Nalulungkot ako eh. Kasi parang, di ba, like,
have you ever told a girl that?
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Hindi kasi, okay, there are people who have like this whole messianic complex.
Yeah,
Parang
yeah.
you wanna fix someone, you wanna help them with their problem. And essentially, that's what he is. Like, and sometimes people will take advantage of that and be like, you know, kasi...
Sige, save me. But also...
but also at the same time. So, yeah.
Has any guy said, tama na yan?
Ako na
Akong bahala sa'yo.
Wala akong ganung pera to.
Wala.
Kung meron na ako, sarap sabihin eh, di ba?
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Para saan ba't mo papakailan pa? Word mo naman.
Totoo.
Tsaka
Diba?
ako,
Oo. Don't save me. I didn't ask you to save me.
But
Diba?
what I want to be saved.
You would actually quit. You would quit.
Yeah. If my wife tells me like, you know what, stop working,
Stop
I'll
working.
pay for everything.
Yeah.
Sure. I have zero pride. I would, yeah.
Madaling kausap.
Oh,
Ikaw rin, Jo.
Ah?
Pag sinabi ng babae, you know what, Jo, I don't want you working. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Buong araw lang
Ako
mag-Valorant.
bahala.
Sarap nun.
Ako
Kasi
magtatrabaho.
yung parang inutil ka naman ng pagkaganon.
Hindi naman inutil. Pwede ka naman mag...
Kinokontrol ka eh.
Yung
Parang
kinokontrol
walang
ako,
boses.
True.
Ako okay lang.
Powerless ka. I don't
Okay lang ako
like.
i-control. Parang, sige, pag maghugas ako ng pinggan, ganyan.
Ah.
Linis
Pero
ako
may
sa
gagawin ka
bahay.
pa rin.
Valorant lang ako. Dota, ganun.
Can't imagine that.
You'd still wanna work.
Work. Kasi ayaw ko maging pala mo yun eh. Parang gano'n. Kasi may ibang girls susumbatan ka eh. Parang,
Hindi, dapat walang sumbat. Yun yung ano.
yeah.
Kasi parang ikaw naman nagsabi sa akin. Tumigil ka.
Tumigil ka.
Oo.
Yung ba nangyari sa'yo, Ja?
Parang.
Hindi, tsaka can we just say, it is not easy to take care of a household. Like if you're a housewife, homemaker.
Hindi talaga.
I wouldn't
Hindi siya
know.
madali.
I
Like,
wouldn't know.
people would think na parang, dali lang, nasa bahay ka lang the entire time. Hindi mo alam kasi what happens
Behind the
while you're
scenes.
And
at
you have to
work.
manage the help.
Exactly.
manage,
Everything.
lahat, the expenses, everything. It's
So,
really not easy.
Salute to our homemakers. out there.
Truly.
Kayo wala pa kayong plano for the next
Mag-alaga ng
Ng household.
Does it go, I mean,
Akala ko
obviously,
mag-alaga ng bago.
you're at the,
Ako,
you're at
bahala
the
sa'yo.
peak of your careers, so you don't wanna, lose the momentum.
Darating din naman yun. Kasi for now, parang siguro mas okay sa amin. Siguro mas mag-focus muna hanggat meron.
Yeah.
Parang strike while the iron is hot. Diba?
Habang buhay yung pag-artista.
Tsaka meron mas may papel sa amin. Mas bata, mas fresh, mas maganda.
Mm.
Alam mo yun. Kaya hanggat nandito kami sa limelight na to, kailangan
Go
ito
na.
lang muna. Go lang ng
Work, right?
Yeah.
Work.
Oo.
That they told me that too 25 years ago. Nandito pa rin ako.
4 years old ka nun, no?
4 years old ka lang na
4 years old ka nun, Tons, no?
I was 3.
Parang suntukin kita doon.
Kahapon, 29 ka. 28 ka na. Ayos
3 years old.
Bata ng
I was 3 years old when I started. 29 now. I'm still striking. Wala pa rin.
Lul. But wait, sorry. For Silip, is it out na ba? Or
Not yet, on December 3.
December
Oh, okay. So that's a Monday.
And then Boss Ma'am. So December 3 is next week on a Tuesday. That's for
Tuesday?
Silip. And then Boss Ma'am, kailan ba labas ng Boss Ma'am? Or labas na
It's
siya?
already out.
Yeah.
Out
labas na. Okay.
I think Jen came last week. I remember she came.
I mean, I'm sure you would remember those.
She
And
came.
then what happened? And then what happened?
Tapos nag-Yossi after. November 26 is when. Okay. Oh, so that was 2 days ago.
2 days ago lang.
There you go.
So all the movies, essentially December 3 for Silip.
And tonight.
Boss Ma'am
And then
was out
mamaya.
2 days ago.
Actually, yung akin may early access siya.
Yeah,
Pwede na panoorin na.
Pwede na siya.
Oh, meron na si Tons.
$4.99 na early access. Oh.
Panoorin natin mamaya.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, yan ang gimmick niyo ni Tones?
Oo.
Night, okay na yun.
Tuloy night.
Kasama ko to eh.
Kung nakasubscribe.
Pero pwede mo nga daw i-early access. So as early as now, pwede mo
Pwede
na
na.
panoorin.
Pagkatapad dito, diretso sa bahay.
Akala ko lalabas kayo ni Tony tonight, hindi
Hindi,
na.
doon na.
Hindi na daw.
Kasama si Rob.
Ganun sa Rob, live streaming pa.
Oy!
Live streaming. Live streaming watching. Yun. Live watching.
Pigil-pigil naman konti.
So, katabi mo sila.
Live streaming watching. Ibig sabihin nun.
Hindi yun yung ginawa nung kamay mo, bro.
Hindi, ganun ba? Ganun, live streaming watching. Watching.
The fireworks. So,
Watching.
Italian ka ba? Hindi ko na kaya.
Alam na siya. Don't encourage him.
Don't. Kikiligin na yan. Kinikilig
Don't encourage Joe. Don't encourage.
Thank you.
Joe, tayo ka. Tayo ka nga, Joe.
Tayo ka.
Tayo eh.
Tayo ka.
Tayo.
Hindi, tumayo ka ngayon. Tumayo ka ngayon.
Hindi
Tayo. Tumayo ka.
Hindi ako makatayo eh.
Bakit?
Alam mo na bakit?
Bakit?
Alam mo na bakit? Tinawag mo na tanong. Ikaw, gusto mo talaga makita?
Gusto ko lang
Why
sagutin
can't
ako
you
bakit.
stand, Joe? Why can't you?
Meron, may sumisikip.
He's already standing. That's
Standing
why he
eh.
cannot stand.
May sumisikip.
May sumisikip.
Bakit?
Sobrang hot niya.
Sobra.
Ladies and gentlemen, our friend, na 2 weeks pa lang break. Sa girlfriend niya of almost 1 year. Jojo, the love survivor.
Oh my gosh.
But
Hayop.
sobrang ganda ng all the movies. Sobra. Panoorin natin lahat sa
Okay.
Yeah.
So, unang tikim tonight and it's already out. Boss
So,
Ma'am.
ito muna. So, ito
And then
yung
silip.
schedule mo, no? Boss ma'am ka muna kasi out na siya eh.
Tapos unang tikim, mamayang 12 midnight. Tapos break
In a
ka
few
ng 1
days.
week. Pahinga ka muna kasi medyo naubos ka.
Replenish.
Hydrate ka muna. Gatorade, mga ganyan. Tapos by next week, goods ka na.
Ready
May
ka na for silip. Jo, yun ang schedule mo.
Yan ang planning natin.
Mamaya.
Paka-efficient.
Panoorin ko kay Rob yung movie niya. And then, Boss Man.
Okay.
For Christmas, where do you guys spending it? Dito lang ba?
Bahay lang.
Bahay.
Bahay lang.
Bahay. Okay.
Bahay.
Bakit papa-invite ka to?
Para naghanap ng kapamilya si Tom.
I was waiting for the invite. Saan tayo sa Noche Buena? Sa bahay.
Kina tito, tita.
O sakto, sa Noche Buena, siya yung unang tikim.
Unang tikim, titikman. Sisilipin.
Si Vern, saan ka Pasko?
Same, bahay lang.
Bahay lang din.
Bahay ni Rob.
Okay pala yung bahay ni Rob. Bahay ni Rob.
Parang yung birthday ni Ann. Di ba? Birthday ko.
Bahay lang.
Kay Rob din.
Dami pa ba kainin ni Rob? Daming bisita.
Ganda kay Rob.
And please do invite our viewers and our listeners, Rob.
Hi everyone, and this is Rob. And ini-invite ko kayo na manood ng ini-invite kayo manood ng unang tikim mamaya na yung 12 midnight. Ayan. So this is unrated, uncut version, unrated version ng
kasi cinema
ng unang
release
tikim.
yung August, diba?
Oo. Kaya ito talagang mas mag-e-enjoy sila kasi uncut version to.
Nako.
Yun, Jo.
Ready na ako yan.
Okay.
Uncut. I love
Uncut ka ba?
Uncut. Di pa naman. Di pa naman uncut.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Nakat na.
pa.
Nakat na.
Ano?
Hindi ka potsu.
Di pa naman. Nakat na.
Nakat na.
And don't forget na i-rate nyo rin.
And how can they follow you on socials?
Yeah, please follow me on my social media. Facebook, Rob Ginto. Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. RBLYNGNT. Lahat consonant walang vowels.
May galit ka pa sa vowels? Inan mo pa ba ng vowels?
Parang si Jo, may galit kay Slick.
Hindi naman. Hindi, wala akong galit.
Vern, ikaw next.
Ayan, ini-invite ko po kayo na manood ng Boss Mom only on VMX and showing na po siya ngayon. Kasama ko po dito si Jen Rosa, of course me, Vern K, and Errol Carmelo. Yan, directed by Direk A.R. Arandaing. Please rate na din po ng 5 stars.
Yeah.
5 stars. I-remind ko kayo. Ayan. I'm sure may enjoy nyo to.
There you go. Rika?
Hi everyone, this is Rika Gonzalez and I'm inviting you all to watch Silip. This coming December 3 na yan, only on VMX, and kasama ko dito si Carl Aquino and Lea Bernabe. Directed by Direk Bobby Bonifacio.
Ang hinahon ni Rika, no? Demure.
Si Rob din.
Si Rob. Grabe, sobra talaga.
Alam mo si George talaga the entire time ganyan yung tingin.
Jo, ayusin mo, Jo.
Para ako namangha.
Saan ka namangha?
The dress, parang beauty queen si Rob eh. Parang gusto mo siyang
ano?
pakasalan eh. Parang gano'n.
Ladies and gentlemen, ang aming kaibigan na 2 weeks pa lang break sa girlfriend niya 1 year.
Siya yung girls na parang pwedeng
Kanina, bagong break ka ngayon. Gusto mo.
Rob,
let me explain.
pagpasok niya kanina, medyo broken hearted ako kasi kaka-break lang namin, gano'n. Pagdating niyo,
Mahal na nga daw niya si
Gina, let me
Thank you,
explain.
thank you,
Let me
ladies.
explain. Si Rob kasi isang girl, parang tipo siya na parang gusto mong seryosohin.
Nah.
That's why.
Yung dalawa hindi.
Hindi pwede. Dapat sila.
Si Vern.
Si Vern hindi naniniwala sa'yo.
Vern, bullshit.
Sanay na si Vern sa
Vern.
panluloko mo.
But
Vern,
lahat sila
mangloloko?
Tingin mo,
Tansya
Vern.
mo.
Tingin mo lang.
Tingin mo.
Vern, tansya mo, sa tatlong lalaki na nandito, sinong
Sige.
pinaka-manloloko?
Sige, i-rank mo silang tatlo. Yung pinaka-manloloko sa pinaka-hindi.
Lahat naman ng lalaki manluloko.
Doon tayo naloko.
Okay, from
Pinaka-gago to pinaka-least.
Yeah, least.
Sa kanilang tatlo.
Pinakagago? Eto.
Magaling ang rating.
Anong klaseng gago siya? Anong klaseng gago siya?
Grabe naman.
ano yung type of kagaguhan na meron din siya?
Wala, saktong gago lang.
Hindi ako naniniwala sa love at first sight eh.
Ayan.
I believe
All
in
talk.
process.
Okay. Tama naman.
Yeah.
Tama. Okay,
Action.
sino yung next? Next sa kanya.
Delikado.
Actually, siya yung number 1.
Siya yung number 1 talaga. Lahat ng pag tanong mo kung sa mga friends mo kung may kilala silang Tony.
Wala.
Chances are.
Uy, ang tagal kong kilala si Rob.
Tingnan mo
Never have I...
yung tawa ni Rob may laman eh. Yung tawa ni Rob may laman eh.
Never. Always a gentleman.
Ay, gentleman ka naman talaga.
Gentleman naman. Oh, pero...
Mabait yan si Tony.
Ano ba? Kung may business kayo, kunyari meron kayong coffee shop, pupuntahan niya yan.
Supportive na.
Pero kung lalaki ka, tapos may business ka, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Pakialam ko sa coffee mo.
Kaninong coffee shop ba yung pinupuntahan mo, Tons?
Lahat.
Yung sa Marikina?
No, kay ano?
Yeah.
Kay Apps.
Kay Apps!
Ang
Yung
layo yun,
yung cat cafe ni Apple.
White cat.
Ni Apple.
White cat.
Snow the cat. Snow the cat
naman.
cafe.
Hindi pa nga pupunta ng bahay ko sa Paranaque yan eh.
Nag-invite. Wala naman siya doon. Hayop. I said, where are you? BGC. What?
Bro, you're supposed to be a customer. Bumili ka ng kape.
Nandun yung pusa. Siya wala. What the?
Eh di kapag nagpatayo ako ng coffee shop, pupunta ka lang.
Pupunta yan. For sure.
Yeah,
For
if
sure.
you open up anything.
Tony is many things, but he is very supportive.
Truly. Extremely supportive and generous.
And wealthy and
Big bird, lahat na.
Lahat nasa kanya.
Marathon sex.
Nasa kanya na lahat.
Such bullshitters, my colleagues.
He can't even call us his friends.
Colleagues. Puro BS. Ito BS 1, 2, 3. Si Slick 4. Pang-apat yun. Ay,
Si Jake Lemon sabi niya, hi Rika.
May special ano.
Jake Lemon ikaw
Sabi ni Henrix, yung akala mo gagawin na si Tony.
Pero di mo pa nakikita si Jojo.
Actually, doon ako na pinaka nagulat. Nakakala ko gago na si Tom. Pero si Jojo pala talaga.
Mas malala.
Di naman.
Medyo matindi.
Matindi.
Medyo scary ka na, Jo.
Alam ko,
Si Tony kasi para siyang high standard. High standard na ganun din. Ay, ganun din. Hindi lahat naman ng lalaki, di ba? Babae naman talaga tinitignan. Pero si DJ Tony kasi high standard siya.
So si Jojo, low?
Pwede na.
No!
walang standard.
Lahat pwede.
Ay, hindi ko sinasabi yun
At least, nagpakatotoo ka.
Ay, hindi ko sinasabi low standard.
So ano yung sinasabi mo, Vern?
But I mean, si ano kasi, syempre, ang totoong babaero hindi nagpapakita.
Tama.
That's true. Actually.
Hindi niya rin pinapakita.
Kaya wala pinapakita. Kaya nga, Rob, sabihan mo na kami kung saan mo siya nakita. Kasi gusto na namin malaman.
Hindi ako ma-post eh.
Hindi yan.
Sekreto lahat yan. Para sa Viber yan. Naka-hide. Ganon.
Hindi naman. Actually, lahat ng post ko.
Wala ka naman tinataguan kasi.
Wala.
Sa number.
Hindi, all the numbers, wala namang invisible, disappearing
messages.
Gagi yung WhatsApp natin, bakit vanishing mode yung WhatsApp natin?
Wala.
Yung sa'yo din, check mo. Vanishing mode. Yung WhatsApp niyo ni Tony.
WhatsApp?
Oh!
No.
Promise.
Talaga? Baka napindot ko lang.
There's always another phone.
The dirty phone.
Hindi rin.
Wala.
Ako.
Siyempre, sino mo nga amin, di ba?
That's true. That's true. Totoo naman. All right. Thank you, ladies, for coming by.
Thank you.
Did Rika plug her
your social
Instagram?
media.
Yes.
And
So you can follow me on my social media account at Rika Gonzalez _
And si Vern.
Sa lahat ng ano ko, Vern K lang.
Vern K.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo.
Akala ko Vern K lang.
Si Vern, si Rika, hindi galit sa vowels. Si Rob.
Si Rob lang talaga.
Bakit galit sa vowels? Alright, that's the show.
Yeah.
That's it.
Good.
That's the week.
Thank you.
See you guys January.
Grabe.
No. Papasok naman ako.
Wala pa pasok bukas?
Friday
bukas, Stones.
Pupunta ka.
Sige, pupunta ka dito. Bahala sa buhay.
5 days a week.
Enjoy.
Ikaw, sige. 5 days a week.
Okay. Have fun, Tones. I'll see you when I see you.
Panindigan mo yan.
Happy birthday kay Mr. Bob Shaw.
Oh, Mr. Bob Shaw.
Happy birthday!
I feel like somebody's
Yeah,
celebrating
advance
their
happy
birthday.
birthday, Mama.
Ay, birthday mama mo.
Hayop.
30.
Si Tita.
Fashion day.
Oh, yan.
O tara, labas tayo.
Hindi pa ba sapat na makiki-Christmas ka sa kanya?
Hindi, parang banding eh.
Yeah, also to my RM.
It's Nene's
happy
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
My sister-in-law.
Happy
Claudine,
birthday, Nene.
Celebrating her birthday today.
Pala yung Grab
Happy,
driver
remember
kanina.
Claudine?
Ay, your grab driver.
Yung Grab driver ko kanina.
Thank you also to my stylist, Rafa Concepcion, and for my makeup, Tinsuan.
Sino yung stylist mo? Kasi bilib na bilib si Jojo sa outfit mo.
ROI.
As in, hindi kinaya ni Jojo.
mo?
Rafa Concepcion.
Rafa. Good job, Rafa.
Oh.
Ganda.
Grabe.
Sige, style. Ano ba style? Dress ba? Or hindi?
Nako si Jojo. Nako, huwag ka lumapit.
Rafa, kaya mo lalaki?
Hindi na makakatayo si Jojo.
Hindi na makakatayo.
Style ka ba ng lalaki? Yes. Anong bagay kay Jojo? Ano ba?
Masculine.
At kita yung arms, di ba? Yeah.
Hayop. Kita yung
Yun
guns.
Yun chan.
Siya malaki eh.
Hanging. Si Carlos Yulo. Oh, sakto pag sinunod mo, Winnie the Pooh.
Labas siya eh. Pero ganda, Rafa. Bilhin ko, ganda. Nice work.
Si Jojo, hindi na makakatayo to.
Diyan tayo.
Yeah, nakakatayo na. Adjust na.
Nag-adjust na.
Adjust na.
Cambio ka.
Kumambyo na.
Ano? First gear, second gear.
Second gear na.
Second gear na.
Tapos na.
Oh my gosh, Jo.
Snake, happy Bonifacio Day, ha? Sa family. Happy wedding anniversary.
Happy Aniv.
Saturday will be his anniversary.
The 30th.
I think 12 years, if I'm not mistaken.
Kala ko sa 12 monkeys na. May pa-party siya.
Wait, tomorrow, happy birthday to our good friend Miss Donna Reyes of the NBA. Happy
Donna.
birthday, Donna Ray.
Happy birthday.
And today, Froy of Smart. Happy birthday, Froy.
Happy birthday.
Hey, Roy.
Froy. Si Roy.
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 Alright, we gotta go.
We're
see you
done.
guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Happy weekend.
Some memories don't go away. Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.